Hi, Vero. The Hustling Queen in faith. So I've been kicked out of the Zoom meeting. Hi, Vero. We are not active here on TikTok. I'm just waiting to be reconnected to the meeting. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're not very active today on TikTok because we are on a Zoom call on that meeting. I am Vero, and we're doing analysis of financials of shares. So it's something that we've been learning about, but I can't hear anything.
So here you come and analyze how it is. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? So one would argue and say from the top here, it could be heading towards a downward trend if this part. So you're going to draw your charts. Let's just see more advanced chart. So you get your indicators here. Okay. So you come here and look at how it's performing, how bad, how good, and then you make your own decision there. I think, yeah, we're running out of time. So, okay, I know I was a bit fast. We had network issues, but you can ask for me to clarify where you didn't understand. I will try to make videos so that I can explain better. Videos, but yeah, you can ask where you, yeah.
Okay, thanks, Fox. I wanted to ask if it will be possible maybe for you to pick one of the companies that we invested in this week, like for example, African Rainbow Capital. Can we maybe just have a look at it quickly if possible?
Okay. Any other question or request? That. So, start doing this thing. Okay, investments, straight. If you can still hear me. So
yeah, we can hear you.
So we're going to look at ARC. What do they invest in? What are the sectors? And so let's look. So ARC is under Ubuntu Investments.
Are you sharing your screen, Fox?
Oh, sorry. Thanks.
You're not sharing your screen, yeah, so we can't see.
Yeah. Okay. So, right.
Yeah, now we can see. Thank you.
So African Rainbow Capital is under Ubuntu Investments, right? Ubuntu Investments has Sanlam and ARC. So Ubuntu is 100% of ARC. That's it. Okay. 100% of
Sorry, Fox. When you say 100%, are you referring to the ownership of the company, meaning Ubuntu owns 13% of Sanlam and 51% of ARC?
Yes.
Okay.
Ubuntu owns 100% of ARC.
Okay.
ARC.
Okay.
That if ARC has 51%, and they have financial services. That's it. For their financial okay. So they come and look at voting, which means if it goes successful, going to get the party. So you see they have to and watch the recordings. Holders, these are the people they partner with, freelance, and okay, they're going to perform. You go through their presentation. Let's look at financial results. All right. It's their CEO, Van der Merwe, so on. Right. So let's look at the structure, operating environment, and the financials. Okay. There's an increase in the share price. Okay, that's good. To 10 rands, right? But for now it has decreased. Just check how much it is. So, which is a bit concerned about how they handle the financial investments and may benefit. You see, this is important. Maybe the telecommunication company are going to acquire a spectrum. So if they merger, Telkom will get a spectrum of transmission of so on. So if they get that, puts them at an advantage edge. And if they get that, it means investments will be better. International equity funding secured for Time Bank and Time Global. Okay, they got more money, meaning that they have more running capital, meaning that they can settle their liabilities, increase production, and so on. Disposal of 12.4 million shares. Okay, they got rid of shares which are not performing. It's a good thing. Cash in the ARC fund, about 700 million in cash. Good thing. Cash is liquidity. Liquidity is complex. In the ARC fund increased by 12.1%, which is not good, but expense.
Fox, sorry, Fox. While we there, can you hear me, Fox?
Yeah, I can.
So there's the PowerPoint thingy that you were showing here, there with the ownership and stuff and the percentages. That one. Is that S at end of June or is it S?
Oh, guys, we have run out of a Zoom call because of his cards. Connection. Senzele phansi namhlanje connection. It's bad.
Hi, sorry about that. It's a bit tricky for me on the side.
Yeah, inetwork isenzela phansi today, guys. Yes. And I was still asking a question, and then that was the end of the session.
It's going to be tricky for me to even connect again because on my PC network is not stable. But
So, folks, what I wanted to ask before it slips my mind is the PowerPoint document that you had shared on the screen, showing the percentages, the owners, the ownership, and whatnot. Is that information as at end of June? Because I saw end of June somewhere on the PowerPoint, or is it as at the 13th of September, which is the date that is on the name of the document?
it's at the end of June, so that's their quarterly. So companies report every quarter. So 13th of September, it was the date they published the document, but the information has been there. So it's based on the 13th of June.
So meaning possibly if there was any improvement between the 13th of September and now, or June and now, we won't have sight of that currently. We'll only see that at the end of the quarter.
Yeah, you'll know at the end of the quarter. And then if let's say there's an improvement, people, when they see that, they're going to invest and then the share price goes up. So you take advantage of the information you know from the second quarter and based on the performance and what changes are they making. So we saw with ARC, they're trying to get a spectrum, which is, with telecommunications, for 5G, you need a license or permit. In South Africa, it's not an open source. It's owned by one company also. So if they can do that, their earnings will increase because they'll have more to offer,
Okay.
So,
all right. Thank you. Thanks.
Sorry, guys, it's been a bad experience today, but if it only could allow me to do lives, I would.
Yeah.
Foxtrot, have you followed people like I advised you, because we need you to come live on video here.
Yeah, I did. They're not following back. It's only now it's getting to 400 and something. It's at
I followed you, I think yesterday, Fox, or 2 days ago.
I saw it. Thanks. It's at 400 and something. It's not many responses.
Maybe let's encourage people to follow him so that it's 1,000 that he should have for him to be able to make videos. Am I right, Loz?
I can make videos. The only thing it's a live. It don't go live. It don't show a camera or anything. But I'll try to make video explaining that. If those who are connected to Zoom, can we see who they are if they are here?
I'm one of them.
Yeah, I noticed.
Mina ngithanda izinto kunabo bonke.
Montega's okay with me. I'm trying to think of a way we can maximize this thing. It's open information. Mbui.
Montega's
Let's just check. Who else? Because I think now we've seen what's important. We can explain it here.
Yeah, Foxtrot. We do get
What I've
what's
learned is that I'm going to be going a lot on simple. Okay, go ahead, Lozi.
okay. I was saying that ukhulume ngama-ratio laphayana. Every time I'll tell the network, I missed a lot of session ngenxa ye-network. I was kicked out, and then I tried to rejoin and still ngaba nama-challenges. But Foxtrot, thank you so much ngayo yonke information oyishared today. We-recordile.
I didn't allow my network. It's been
Okay, it
unstable
didn't
since
allow.
the start.
Okay. But then angithi uzosenzela ividiyo nje uphinde usichazele kahle even nangama-ratio, because I think ama-ratio abalulekile ngoba uma ngabe usu-analyze ubheka ama-financials, you are looking at the ratios and figures. Sometimes abbreviations of ratios mhlambe abantu bangeke bazokwazi uku-understand. Nami ngizozama ukwenza mhlambe lapha i-summary ngichaze like ukuthi like breakdown le ratio yini, le ratio ichaza ukuthini, uthola kanjani yabo. But ngiyazi usithembisile ukuthi uzosenzela ividiyo about what osichazele khona namhlanje. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
And then as he was talking as well, I went into that simplyworld.st, the website. It looks like there's a lot that someone can learn from there. I'm gonna be going through that before I go to bed and tomorrow as well. I saw quite a lot of information that will be helpful as well. Simplyworld.st.
Yeah, no, that's good. There you go and analyze. It tells you basically how the company is performing, but the sentiments you should also generate them by yourself, because whichever analyst they may say it may not do good, but when you see what it's investing in, they talk about what they know or what they see. So you look at the working capital. So working capital is basically difference between their current assets and current liabilities, right? Capital ratio, and then you look at their quick ratio. It's about how quickly can they turn assets into cash, how quickly can they turn it into liquidity in order to pay liability. So if this ratio, it's a measure of liquidity. So if it's less than 1, then it's not liquid, right? It doesn't have high liquidity or assets to pay short-term liabilities. It's important for them to pay short-term liabilities, right? So you can leave it there. And then there's also earnings per share. Liquidity ratio. Thank you, Montegas. The earnings per share.
I've got another stupid question, Fox, and really I'm asking because I don't know. I heard you saying Ubuntu owns those other companies, right, including ARC. And then somewhere on the slide, I saw that they saying if the the Rain deal goes with Telkom, there's a certain benefit. I didn't get that part clearly.
Yeah, they get a technology spectrum. So if they merge with Telkom, they get a spectrum. They acquire a spectrum, meaning that they can offer more. Their 5G will be better. Their internet. So what happens is that the Department of Communication auctions their spectrums, and currently it's Telkom which holds that particular spectrum.
So you must be on the lookout on the outcome of the deal, the possible deal between Rain and Telkom.
Yeah, remember MTN wanted to buy Telkom, and then MTN saw that Rain is coming on board and told Telkom that they're not going to buy it if there are other players.
Oh, okay. Okay, thanks.
Time will tell what you mean.
Yes, time will tell.
I was ready for you, and I'm very pissed and here to say. I'm not sure. Mina ngizingeni, time will tell.
Yeah, no, it's between yena no Musa nolwazi. Thina sikhuluma nge-presentation.
I don't even know what he means ukuthi ubelinde mina kwani lana. Nozenzela kanjani.
I,
Okay.
I
I'm
guess
just
there's a lot for us to learn, guys, but let's take it step by step, one day at a time.
Yeah, basically, let me just say a spectrum, it's something, let me go say, spectrum refers to the invisible radio frequencies that wireless signals travel over. Those signals are what enables us to call, to make calls,
Mm,
and so on and so forth. So if they get that particular electromagnetic spectrum, and they will be leading in the game, they'll have more products to offer, they'll be more reliable, and they'll definitely acquire more clients.
meaning it will be to our advantage, the buyers, ne? Those who wants
Yeah,
to buy the shares.
yeah.
Okay.
Look, you have nothing, well, you have some money to lose, but look, if
Mm,
it's still at 7 rand a share,
mm,
and when you look at all telecommunication company and banking companies, their shares are well over above 100 rands, 200 rands. It's worth a
mm.
buy. You have nothing to
Okay.
lose. Well, you have money to lose, but if you analyze well. So yeah, okay, what's next? Sorry guys, as if we can make even other means to even have this, to make this thing happen. If it can't be Zoom, other ways it's possible.
But the thing is now, the stages, one moment we in stage 3, the next we in stage 4, the next we are on stage 2. So it's really difficult to even plan to say we can have it when we don't have load shedding.
Yeah, no, not even that.
Mm.
Because I'd assume most people are in Joburg or around Joburg or Pretoria. I can make it there. That's fine.
You mean Foxtrot that we can arrange a meeting like in person for a
Yeah,
session?
Yeah.
I don't mind that.
Mm.
As long as sputtering of information, I guess.
Okay, okay. Let's work on that one, gay. Let's do
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Please.
So okay, that's that. Because right now it's still at 5. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we can go that. Okay, so the share to buy we are talking about is ARC. That goes with Rain. Yeah, it goes with Rain and Time Bank. And the highest it's been 10 rands. That was based on the earnings of early this year. So if it can reach that amount, it still can go back. So it's a good thing to look into, but do your own analysis, right? It's important because eventually when you buy, when it's not performing, you should have yourself to blame. So yeah,
Okay, I see Flamelo saying she can facilitate that meeting, the physical meeting.
okay. Yeah, we'll just confirm. I just need some other.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, for my view. No, that's fine as long as it's where people can access. That's fine.
Mm.
Um, yeah, but I'll just confirm if it's possible, if there are no other ways. So yeah, that's that. I think understand your ratios, the instruments are there, looking into the company financials, but Simply Wall Street simplifies everything, goes there,
Mm.
gives you the sentiments, the ratios, and so on, the health of the
Mm.
company. Um, there, or when you do your own analysis, it's about you knowing how much you're going into the company with, how much you're hoping to get back from the company, and how much you investing in. So it's basically, how do you identify this? It's return on equity. You look at the return on equity with, okay, with this company, how do they turn a shareholder's investment around? How do you look at that? Do you look at their net income and look at their divided by their total shareholder equity? So let's say the company is worth 10 million and they're making 700,000 a year. So you can find the return on equity by saying 700,000 divided by 10 million, multiply by 100. It's going to give you the percentage. So let's say the company is at 1.3 million. as an example, the annual income, I'm just giving an example, is at 1.3 million. And then the equity, total equity is 8 million. So 1.3 million divided by 8 million times 100, it's 16.25%. That's your return on equity each year. So you're looking at around that amount. Then you look at their debt to equity. You look at their price earning ratio, which is P over E. So you look at the price of the share divided by the dividend. So you know, for every X amount I spend, I should get 1 rand. So the lower this, the better. But it's fine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a lot, guys. People can join in and share what they know, what they dispute with. And yeah, and those who saw the companies I have, do not rush into buying without even checking, because also entry position is important. If you rush, you'll regret, depending on your goal of investment, which is it over here?
You mean the entry position? You mean like in terms of is stocking being more expensive now because, or what
Sorry?
like mangabe uthi
Sorry?
ke i-entry point ebalekile usho in terms of ukuthi umuntu let's say uzobona i-stock osiholdayo, they're not okay, let me go and buy that share. Kanti at the minute it's not it's bullish. So bese umuntu afuna ukosithenga usho in terms of that.
Yeah, let me give you kufana ne-ARC, African Rainbow. People went to buy when it was 7 rand and 30 cents. Today it's 5 rand and 30 cents. So they lost some of their money. So you need to be analyzed. So that's why you need to go and look at the chart on Trading View. Analyze the chart.
Kanjani over this month, 6 months and maximum.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can look at for bullish engulfing. Sorry.
No, I'm saying I hope abantu bayakwazi ukuthi bakubheka leyo entry position ukuthi kena ibi kanjani.
Yeah, just make sure that on your chart, it's going to show you, this is more of a technical thing. It's going to show you if it's retesting, if it's, you must look for your hammers, your inverted hammers, your seller volume, your buyer volume. So that's very important, because at the end of the day, even if you're looking into investing long term, if you know how to do this, it can be profitable in a month or two. You can raise your portfolio by 10% in a month or two. So, Mr. Zenzel.
Buti njani? Sanibonani nonke Nkosi yami. Buti ngicela ukubuza ngibe neproblem la khona la engibambezeleke khona, so umbuzo wami buti ngathi uqondile nje ukuthi when you analyze like i-company ne ukuthi okay wena personally uyi-analyze like ngicabanga ukuthi ufamiliar with ama forex pairs stock pairs, like technically u-analyze the same noma mhlambe kunendlela mhlambe ehlukile compared to lesi isebenzisa when it comes to ama-forex trading when you analyze.
Okay, so if you're going to mawufuna ukusebenzisa njengathi usebenzisa ama-currency pairs, it's going to be tricky because companies are affected ukuthi masithi CEO uyacoshiwa namhlanje, masithe abantu abathengi lento abayidayisayo. So you must be fundamental and technical and understand ipolitiki ukuthi affecta kanjani, yabona. So ungayibheka on a currency pair chart nje uyi-analyze kanjalo. But if you don't understand ukuthi kwenzekani ngaleyo company, then uzoba nenkinga. So mawubheka i-company, ama-ratio iwona ancedayo kakhulu, yabona. Ukuthi khona into bathi earnings per share ratio, price earnings per ratio, such things, yabona, into ezinjalo, yabona. So ama-currency pairs, uyazi ukuthi ama-currency pairs wona kanjani. It's either abantu bayifuna i-euro or i-dollar, yabona. And
Yeah.
but ungakhohlwa ukuthi nawo ama-currency pairs a-affecta izimpi njenge-Ukraine ne-Russia. Yeah, angazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi kwenzekeni nge-currency ye-Russia. Yadropa, yaphinde yaphika up, yaya phezulu. Ngenxa yokuthi manje umuntu mangabona ipolitiki lapho, imali yakhe ibeyihambile. So kumele u-understande nepolitiki nekuthi ikhampani ihamba kanjani. So la ikhampani ibheke ngama-ratio nokuthi badayisa, yaba.
Yeah, ngizwakala hayi cha. Kodwa manje nginelisekile.
Yeah, injena bafo. Ngadayisa amatamatisi nawo adayise, kodwa mina ngisebenzise i-ora eyi-1, eli-1. Angeke ngiyenze imali. Siyazi ukuthi abantu bafuna amatamatisi, mara mina ngisebenza 1 hour. Angeke ngiyenze. So into esiyibhekayo. Yabona.
Okay. Hayi ngiyazwakala. Cha ngiyabonga bakwethu. Yilokho nje bengifuna i-clarity kukho, yabo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bakwethu. Yabonga. Ntombi Sibongo wathula right?
Ngi-right. Ukuthi nje ngimise isejini nje okuningi angikuzwanga Nkosi yami, angibonanga nje ukuthi bekwenzakalani, kodwa-ke ayikho inkinga.
Soyichaza ngokukhululeka. Ubona abantu bathi 500, sobona ukuthi kwenzeka na. Sizoyizama leyo live. But khululeka. So yeah, uzenzele ungayibheka nge-currency pairs. Mawufuna ukuyenza lento, uyenza ngama-company njengo-Able ne S&P 500.
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to be technical, you can look at it at S&P 500, but I am a company nje adayisa ukudla, adayisa impahla, adayisa leyo zogeda kakhulu.
Yeah. Hayi no. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Ake ngidedela abanye mhlambe khona abanemibuzo. Shares beyothi yini currency pair? It's something else. I-currency pair ama-currency emali, but it's something else ukuthi I relate na lento mhlambe. Ngizohlala kuma comment nje bafethu.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Yeah.
Fundamental usually accelerates a certain move. Awichaze Mr. Njabulo. Okay, same way, but focus on a bigger time frame. Yeah, yenzeka leyo nto, but look at how Telkom share price dropped. So if you're going to use technical analysis, uzogeja company, you must use a ratio. All right, Nomusa.
Ngi-right Sibhuti. Okay, ngicela ukuthi mhlambe in simple terms, like in layman's term, usichazele qualitative and quantitative analysis.
Okay, isingisi less.
I know, right?
I'd have to look into it, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Quantitative and qualitative.
Yeah, because namhlanje I'm reading Financial Mail magazine. So they talk about analyzing shares. You need to focus on qualitative and quantitative. And I'm like, okay, but mina ngazi technical analysis, yabo, like basic kwami understanding. So okay, I think it's a subject nama fanele ngidike deep kuyona yabo, like ngifunde.
Okay.
Yeah. Ukuthi lapha bayasho and abachaze, and I didn't like go through the thing because when ngifunda izolo kune load shedding, so I couldn't even go online to check. But I think can
I read up on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Technical analysis for FX traders. Yeah, but it's also for everyone. Okay. May I ask what's happening with Thungela? Thungela seems to be doing good, but is it the demand of coal may depreciate after this Ukraine and Russia thing if it goes well? But it's doing good. It's doing marvelously. I hold it, so it's profitable. Okay. Which ratios which is using ratios, PE and other. Oh, okay. Mr. Montegas,
Sanibona njani?
saphila njani bhuti?
Sharp. Nami ngithi angingene ngizojoyina kancane nje.
Awuzwakali kahle bafo.
Ngithi ngiyabonga, ngithi nami ngithi angingene nje ngizojoyina live for the first time, but siyabonga
Siyajabula.
the information. Yeah, thanks for the information on Zoom. It was quite informative, you know.
No, siyabonga ndoda manjoyina.
Yeah.
Right, ba?
Yeah, no, angisharp, man. I'm good.
No, that's good. Because I want you always commenting. Can you also share some knowledge, please?
No. I just wanted to just share when it comes to quantitative and qualitative research.
Okay, yeah, please do.
Yeah, actually, when you do more especially a quantitative research, it's more where you use a lot of numbers and graphs, you know, in order to express like your research. So ubheka kakhulu into numbers, usebenzisa ama-graph so that you know it can go hand in hand with the theory or whatever you want to achieve or you want to prove in terms of your analysis. And then more especially qualitative, it's very easy. It's more in theory, you know, it's more like theory. It's like usebenzisa kakhulu i-macroeconomics. I can take it like you use more of macroeconomic analysis, yabo. More while usebenzisa i-quantitative, usebenzisa i-microeconomics ne-econometrics. So it's more of numbers, stats, graphs. So that's quantitative. If it's qualitative, it's more easy because it's like ngiyakhuluma nje nami ngisho ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi i-Reserve Bank izonyusa ama-interest rates mhlampe ngo-100 basis point. So ngicabanga ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani mhlampe kuma-markets, kuzokwenzakalani i-exchange rate. So it's more of a theory based, yabo, where the quantitative you have to be more in details, some graphs and a lot of statistics as well. So that's what I can say in terms of differentiating between the quantitative and qualitative research.
It makes sense. Siyabonga ndoda. Oh, siyaphumile.
Mhlampe nawo shaya i-network.
That's a mess today. Okay, Camelo, okay. Yeah. No, it's Tungela. Yeah, I think I answered the Tungela one. Yeah, no, I think that's about it. Sorry guys, but it didn't turn out the way I was hoping for, or we were hoping for. But yeah, sicala kancane. We'll get there. So
Yeah, phela ngithi asikho in control, asikho in charge of izinto ukuthi zenzeke ngale ndlela esifunayo. So it's out of our hands. If singana connection ngeke sikhande, yabo. Singathi ngakahlezi siphele inkampani, that's all. And sit and watch.
Yeah. Then that's fine. I'll try to make videos and on a particular subject matter, but doing your own analysis works best. I think, because if you saw the portfolio I hold, it how it performs generally, because you look at the way, you know. But okay, asikho lapho. Okay, Mr. Njabulo. Put on.
Sharp man, ngiyabona mangithi ngiyachaza la kuma-comments, I'm not making sense, so I felt let me just request to join and then share my 2 cents opinion.
Okay.
Yeah. So how I usually approach it, I usually look at the technical analysis, and which is usually backed or supported by price per earning ratios, or rather the financial standings of a company, which makes which incorporates lezi zinto ke wakhuluma ngazo. And to justify that, why I use technical analysis, you made mention of Telkom, right? Which you said it fell sharply. where I'm currently at with Telkom, it's currently at a demand in terms of technical analysis. It's currently at a demand, which I'm expecting an up movement to the top. It might still happen ukuthi ingayi phezulu because this is solely based on technical analysis. Now, in terms of company financials of the company, I hardly check them when it comes to big companies such as about Telkom and whatnot.
Okay.
Furthermore, Naspers, ne, I did an analysis on Naspers where I was expecting it to respect demand the price of 1,457 and some change there. And funny enough, on that day or around that price, there were news that now Naspers received some funding from, I can't recall where. And on that day, Naspers went up. It went bullish ngendlela eyisimanga. So it
Yeah.
respected a certain demand. So what I've realized is that the fundamentals tend to come on certain areas of a market. So you'll find ukuthi mhlambe with just like uthungela ukuthi uthungela phela it's a new stock. So it's been on a bullish movement. So my understanding of what is happening there is it is now correcting. So it will be at some point respect a certain demand, which in turn it also corresponds with the news or the fundamentals that you just said now, ukuthi with this issue here coal, where now they want us now to migrate or to move to intermittent solutions, which is renewable energy and stuff. So you will see that decline in Uthungela. But I'm also confident and optimistic ukuthi wona usazokhuphuka because coal, we're still going to use coal. So Thungela is still in it. So laba investor kudala wouldn't advise ukuthi bephume kuwona. Instead, uma wehla futhi, they would just rather bulk in. So in other terms, it is to average in abayibiza kangcono. So ningixolele ngama terms amanye
That's fine.
wawangiwazi kahle, but yeah,
Sebenzisa
that's how I usually
ama-terms
do it, man.
bazojwayela, nabanye bazojwayela ama-ratio like ama-terms ngoba awukwazi ukukhuluma le language ungawa include ama-terms.
Correct.
Yeah.
But what you're saying, it's similar. Remember, the charts and technical analysis and views represent the market sentiments. So when I say fundamentals, when I'm speaking of particularly company ratio, people will go in a company which has a high working capital. Let me give an example, right? Or the short-term and long-term liabilities are covered. It's going to represent as volumes, the candlesticks on the market when they represent the volumes and so on. So yeah, I see that it's a subsidiary or Anglo. It's from Anglo, this Thungela thing. They demerged in 2021 for some reasons. So bayenza kanje when they want to invest in risky markets, they have two companies. They will start the subsidiary to limit themselves off the thing. So yeah, but I hear you, Mr. Njabulo. What you're saying makes sense. It's yeah. And on Telkom, you're actually right. I think usasekhona Njabulo?
Yeah, ngisasekhona.
Oh, yazi Telkom ngicabanga ukuthi yenzani? When you say Uguwe, it's performing good, it's looking bullish, it's responding to the fact that it may move into a successful merger with Rain. People bajabula ukuthi it will no longer be government owned. Government won't have any stake, whether it's by MTN or Rain or ARC. So that is why you see it responding as a positive.
And again, uyabona ke lento eshoyo ukuthi this is all happening at a particular demand within the locals and the market sentiment. So we would never know. But to buy Telkom now, for me, it's a good buy. it might still fall. Angas, no one knows. But where it is currently for me, it's a good buy. And
Yeah.
my target would be Ulokuzana 68 rand 98 cents. That's where I'll take my profit.
Yeah, no, it has to rise up, Yona, because it's going to rise up actually. As long as the government stake is no longer there, then it's going to rise up. It's like SAA. But yeah, then Yahoo.
I think that they're buying. Sharp. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Ba.
Sanibonani,
Sabona,
ninjani?
naliphuthi njani?
Ngikhona. Yazi, when I saw your topic saying financial analysis, I wanted to understand other things because I also wanted. Sorry guys, no, ingane lana like this.
No, that's fine.
It's busy by meeting.
Ifuna i-minor account leyo ngane.
Ifune minor account leyo ngane.
I kumele business TikTok yayo yazi. So what I wanted to understand is this. Before you buy any shares, right? What are you looking at? Are you guys looking at the financial statements of the company, or are you looking at the innovation that they're gonna bring to the company? Just like what Capitec is doing now, is bringing in its own SIM card with less data price and all those. And if yes, you're looking at the financial statements of the company, what is it telling you? Which figures are you looking at? Are you looking at the net profits, the gross profit against their liabilities and assets? Or are you guys, because somebody I see here is talking about technical. Ever saying technical? Who's this? Okay, when somebody says technical, I normally understand which those are type of people who also got involved into forex. Then that's why they're mentioning technical and other things. But that's my question.
All right. Okay, bigger holistically. We look at it holistically, right? Both on the innovation, the company management, the ratios, yeah, and also technical analysis. If you go and study a course thereby, you'll find it there. It's part and parcel, yeah, but the ratios are important. So we look at it all. We don't look at one side because it affects, yeah, let's say Capitec, this new thing of theirs fails, it's going to affect investor confidence and then affects the other prices, even if it was doing good, yeah, so you look at do they have enough working capital? Do they have enough liquidity? Do they have enough assets to convert into liquidity? And how fast can they do that? Do they, yeah, such things, yeah, what's their price to equity? What's their ROE? Yeah, so we look at such. Say bega yonke ba.
Okay, I hear you, I understand you, but when you're talking about technical, are you talking about analyzing those charts?
Those charts and the ratios, it's the same thing. Remember, those charts are giving you information about that particular stock. It's like the ratios. Each will talk something different about. A chart also talks.
Okay, I hear you because I've seen the charts and I've been into this trading and all that, but then it's fine. When you're talking
okay.
technical, I understand what you're saying because I've seen that Capitec shares have been dropping, but for which good reason or whichever point is trying to retest and whatever, I don't know. But I understand you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no, when it's sorry, when it's dropping, that's when you look at why is it dropping. You now see they've got new licenses, right, to offer life products to increase their loan amounts. So that in long term may get them more clients. So it
Yeah,
will, yeah.
yeah, right. Because somebody once told me, Orin, like now, if you look into Capitec, they normally don't. I'm not sure, but you'll correct me if I'm wrong. They normally don't offer car. What's this? This thing that you offer and get is Standard Bank, whereby they buy you a car and then you pay them.
Yeah.
And also they haven't yet Babelidi home loans. So
Yeah.
he said once you start buying producer those things, it will increase their share price.
Yeah, they're doing that now. They're doing it that now.
Okay.
But to me, they'll introduce some more products. So they remember they had a limit of 250,000 on personal loan, which was too risky, although the interest rate was high, but they had no what's it called when you attach your card to your loan, where if you don't pay the deposits against what's the type of loan called?
No, man, I don't want to lie to you. I don't know that term.
So there's these types of loans such as home loans where they call them the specific term where if you don't pay they can collect the house or the car. So the one near Capitec, it was too risky, but because it had no collateral, right? It was fixed. So now they're getting there to where they can offer loans with collateral. So yeah, surety.
Is
Yeah.
that surety, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Unsecured loan and secured loan. Thank you.
Okay.
Something like that.
Mm.
So they had most unsecured loans. Now they're moving into secured loans. They got their licenses. They've got so yeah.
Okay, I hear you on that fact, but for somebody who doesn't know, when he or she wants to buy shares, will you advise him to consider? Will you tell him or I consider the interest rate, the unemployment level that we're facing, and the inflation rate?
Okay.
Because there is also GDP involved, which is they call them the market indicators.
Yeah. Okay. With the inflation rate, what I've seen what the Reserve Bank is doing, right? They're increasing the interest rate just to counter the inflation, right? So that's a positive sign. If you go and look at Lesija Khanyawo statements and what they're doing, that is why every quarter or almost every quarter there's a hike of the interest rate. They're combating what inflation, and when with the high interest rates, it encourages more people to save, right? More people saving, right? It affects those who take the loans, but it helps those who save. Lesija Pro said by next year, I think third quarter or fourth quarter, the interest rate they should have stabilized the inflation. I'll confirm. I'm not too sure on that, but he said somewhere there, but they'll increase until they stabilize. Once they stabilize, it may go back down. So the unemployment, it's a different story, but you see there's lots of foreign investment which they're pushing for and they're achieving. You see Saudi Arabia is pushing positive. You see Germany is pushing positive. So that will be combated. Actually, that's during crisis, that's when you invest properly, Waban.
Mister, can you repeat that statement? You said during crisis, that's when you do what?
Invest properly. Before you argue, let me explain how. Remember, many sectors during COVID went down, right? There was basically no business. Their share price, if the order book is not working, let me give you an example. Construction companies need to so immediately they start working. If you had invested when the share price had went down, where they by production, that's where you get your investment. Look at Sasol. March 2020, the share price was 21 rands. The production was limited. Production was limited because of lockdown levels. But as time goes on, its share price it's back to 200 and something to 300 and something rands. You benefit from crisis.
No, that's very true when you're saying you benefit from crisis, because I wanted to tell you what if somebody bought the shares of those companies that were producing vaccines during that time, then that somebody could have been like, yeah, could have gained something. Because while I was asking you all these questions, there was this research I was busy doing, whereby they were saying if you check your GDP, it will affect the strength of your currency in all directions. If we're producing more and we're exporting more than what we're inputting, then it means the unemployment rate will go down, and as well as the inflation rate might go down. I'm not sure about on that part. But with the interest rate, maybe that's something we need to teach people, or the more the interest rates go high, they should save more and spend less. Mister, let me thank you for this wonderful life, and yeah, I appreciate your info.
Yeah, thanks, his issue, not me. It's her life.
No,
It's
it's
not
our life, guys.
always as keys. As keys. Give other people a chance. Maybe somebody wants to come in and ask. Because now, if I start talking about these investment things, I'll never stop. Plus, let this
Hobby,
guy come.
hobby. That child needs a minor account as well. Leyo ngane inayo i-minor account.
Hayi, udimana akanayo. Udimana usitoti une-energy eningi lo. Ma ungambona manje, if I can show you manje ukuthi wenzani. Oh.
Mungamvulela i-minor account uzokhama down.
Mawumvulela i-minor account uzokhama down, serious. Sharp. Okay, guys, sisenayo imibuzo.
Which is grand. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll try again.
Nanti namhlanje lesihlanu abantu abekho.
Yeah, no, that's what I anticipated. You know the reason why I said people won't be there. But okay.
But at least they own ama-stocks, akwa-Distel, so at least wabo.
Thank you, girl. Thank you. Thank
No,
you, Mamusa.
kuningi esikufundile today, guys.
Yeah, kodwa ukufunda okuningi kuzoba after lokhu, angithi manje sewuyazi ukuthi ufanele ubheke ini. So manje sekuthi wena usuyayicathulisa-ke manje nge-information ukuthi okay, angifunde ukuthi ngi-understand le nto, ngoba ngeke uze u-understand ama-ratio ngelanga elilodwa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kodwa ngesikhathi like uwafunda wa-practice, okay, ubuka ama-financials, target ikhampani eyodwa and see ukuthi okay, can I come up with i-ratio yale company just by looking at ama-financials? Iformula uyayazi, angithi? Yebo. Kodwa-ke if ungafuni ukwenza lo msebenzi usuwenzele futhi kuleya website ye-Wall Street, angithi? Yeah.
Another thing, just to add on the tax one, I'm a unit trust. You look at the ones which are, you saw that I have quite a number of them, which are operating under Section 12J, meaning that they're investments by investor with small and medium enterprises, and then they must be registered in South Africa. I posted something on my thing. If you read it, it's going to tell you what can you claim at SARS for tax purposes, right? You can get up to 100% on your income. So yeah, but read on that, and then So it's you look for venture capital companies. They're the ones who will manage your money and buy the shares you need. Although their returns may be low than if you did it yourself, but it's more secured. It's people who study the market and understand the market. So yeah. On my profile, I've posted something about unit trust and Section 12J. Yeah. Mr. Montegas.
Yeah, angazi noma ngiyazwakala yini. Ulwazi uyangizwa?
Yeah, but you repeat low.
Kude.
Okay, sekunjani manje?
Ngcono-ke
Yeah.
manje.
Alright. No, yeah, no bafethu kube nami khona kade ngifuna nje ukuthi mhlambe yabo sikhumbusane wena ukuthi mhlambe i-purpose yale platform is it for mhlambe long-term investment or a short-term investment, because ngicabanga ukuthi ngokwazi kwami i-purpose was for a long-term investment. Angazi noma ngi-wrong lapho. So angazi noma ngi-wrong lapho mhlambe.
Oh, you mean this?
So saying mhlambe we are looking for a long-term investment, like mhlambe for over 5 years or for over 10 years.
Yeah, you can look for it. That's the one, yeah. And
Yeah. Ukuthi yabo sengizwa sekuqhamuka nama-topic kakhulu e-forex, you know, because my understanding with forex traders, yabo, because ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi yabo ngibe kuleyo environment, more especially
now even
in forex.
Remember, even
you know,
okay, no, even forex can be long term,
yeah. But in terms of volatility, we cannot compare volatility of forex than of our equities.
Yeah.
If you look at the volume of volatility, it's not the same at all.
No, but okay, just to put it in simple terms, as per a dollar and a pound, for a long time, a pound has been dominating the dollar, right? And meaning that many people are converting their pounds, their dollars into pounds, right? There was a demand for pounds, yeah, but so it's such things. So that's how you look at it. You look at but that's a topic for another day. That one we touched. I just to show the analysis part. Here we're looking for stocks, easy equities.
And the Fox it ngiyayisupport le nto yayo unit trust, because ngiyacabanga ukuthi ma investor kufanele ube nama assets owabiza ngama defensive assets, yabo, ama assets angenayo i-growth esheshayo, but they give you like a stable and steady growth in your portfolio.
Yeah.
And ama-unit trust are one of those assets. Njengoba markets engekho right nje, nama-unit trust uthola ukuthi wona akwazi ukuthi ahold i-portfolio yakho, yabona, ngalesikhathi lesi kune volatility enkulu ma-market.
Yeah.
So ngiyayisupport kakhulu leyo nto yakho mfethu.
Nasibonge. Yeah, I think unit trust now ungabheka the ones which will also, the reason I mention it's also for tax benefits, yeah, but it's not all of them which qualify, right? So you must look into which qualify. You can go to the website GASARS and look for venture capital companies. It's going to tell you Section 12J and whatnot.
Yeah, usifakele konke lapha kwi-video yakho e-Forex, so yonke information ikhona.
Yeah, no, I know mina ngi-right ngama-unit trust. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngina-knowledge engiyidingayo ngawo. So yeah, ngifuna ukuveza ukuthi no, but it's ngiyayithanda for ngiyibiza ngama-defensive assets kwi-portfolio.
Yeah, no, that's important.
Yeah, no, bafethu ngiyabonga. That's all for me.
Ngibonga thina. Right guys, no, mina ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibaleke. Nomusa and
It's okay ke. Thank you so much for talks. Mhlambe singahlala mhlambe ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi khona abantu abasha abasijoina maybe for the first time. Mhlambe sizukuthi like where they are. It's fine. Just not discuss it. But siyabonga for talks. Ungadinwa nangomuso, okay?
Yeah, no, thank you. All right, thanks guys. Let me jump.
manje igroove ikulindile vele uyawa-ona ama-shares akadisturb.
Siyabonga Fox.
Ngempela guys, ungathengi utshwala basendaweni onga-oni khona ama-shares akhona. Ningalinge nje nenze lelo phupho. Ningalinge. Mina ngifuna ukubuka amashenge nje ngisazohlala nami. Hayibo. Hey, kaze uzongibuka ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi awa-oni yona ama-shares akadistel. Uzohlala la kwe-live kuLesihlanu. Hhayi awa-oni sidalo. Asikhulumeni guys. Like yini into enifundile namhlanje ngoku-analyze ama-shares? Angazi kwenzakalani la. Jesu. Mane nginyamalala. Yini into esifundile namhlanje? Cause yazini mangabe ufunde something, mawuyiphinda leyo nto, uyitshela omunye umuntu, iyahlala engqondweni yakho. Nathula kangaka manje nisakhona pho?
Sanibonani njani?
Sawona Cwabe.
Yebo. Hayi mina bengisaba ukungena shame kukhona laba abakhuluma ama-bombastic words. Namagama angithintayo. Ama-terms abo shame ngoba ngise-blank as a private candidate nje ngeke ngize ngikwazi. So
Cwabe.
gazini angisitshele yes.
Yabo ngesikhathi ngesikhathi ubona umuntu knowledgeable, your immediate reaction and response should be, oh, I want to be with that person. Oh, I want to learn more of what they are doing. That should be your immediate
I want to.
reaction. Yeah. So you must jump on a live ngesikhathi bekhona so that you don't have that same feeling again.
Okay. Yeah, guys, bengibuza mina ukuthi sengiyenzile yonke into but ama-shares i-problem yami angazi ukuthi iwona maphi engizowathenga-ke manje. Ngiyabezwa ukuthi bakhuluma ngama-shares, ufuna uku-check-a inkampani, u-check-e ini, nama-terms akhona but angazi ukuthi lokhu ku-check-a kanjani. That's my problem, bantu. Shares nawo Phawula phela wathula.
Qhubeka Nomusa.
Okay. Cwabe awazi ukuthi uqale u-analyze kanjani.
Yes.
Okokuqala nje inkampani yakho le onayo ufuna ukuyi-analyze, ngithi uyalazi igama layo?
Usho le engizothenga ngayo ama-shares hayi.
Angithi unayo le engqondweni yakho lo ufuna ukuyithenga, ufuna ukuyothenga u-TFG, ufuna ukuyothenga u-Dis-Chem.
Okay, that's a thinking. Let's say angazi ukuthi yona yiphi. Ngizwe bekhuluma ngo-Telkom nango-Rain, ukuthi u-Rain mhlawumbe imakhethi yakhona isiyehlile, sekhuluma u-Telkom. So angazi ukuthi kona kuphi-ke kwenzeka kanjani. So mina kufaneke ngizazi ukuthi iyona yiphi inkampani engifunayo ukuthenga kuyona before. Kufaneke ngazi.
Imali ngiyeza.
Okay.
While esahamba uNomusa mhlambe ithi ngibuza ukuthi wena iyiphi ikhampani ocabanga ukuthi u-interested kakhulu kuyona, mhlambe eyakatshwala or i-mining?
eyama-wine because iyona into engiyiphuzayo.
Okay. Engikuzwile kubhutiza mesifundisa ukuthi angithi uzohamba-ke ucheck-e ku-Easy Equities ukuthi imaphi ama-companies adayisa iwayini,
Yeah.
and then wenze i-research ngayo mhlampe 1 or 2 ubheke ukuthi i-performance yecompany injani.
Yes.
Ubheke mhlampe for the past year ukuthi ba-performe kanjani, ubheke ukuthi mhlampe is it financials, right? Ubheke ukuthi ahamba kanjani ama-financials wabo, into kanjalo. But at least iba ne-idea yokuthi wena i-interest yakho ikuphi kakhulukazi, njengoba usushilo ukuthi wena kumawayini. Yabo, uthi usisi Nomuzwa yena i-interest yakhe ufuna uku-investa kakhulu kuma-companies adayisa iwayini.
Okay, kodwa uzukhethe nje ama-companies athengisa iwayini ngoba nakho yini kuyi-industry ekhulayo yona mhlawumbe awayini, uyabona? Umbuzo ofanele uyibheke loyo ngoba awufuni uku-investa kwi-industry ngoba nakho iya-exist-a kusho ukuthi i-profitable ukuthi ungaze uyofaka imali yakho khona uthenge ama-shares yezagcwala.
Okay.
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 I-advice yami-ke uma ukuthi nana-lost ukuthi okay mhlawumbe ungathenga maphi amakhampani, asithi uwedwa akekho omunye umuntu, ayikho i-live, akekho umuntu ozokuxoxela. Akhona
Yeah.
uyeza ukuthi uma ufunda iphepha, ufunde
Yes.
kuma-financials, uzomane wazi ukuthi okay imaphi ama-industries a-good ukuthi unga-investa kuyo. Kade ngithi ngizama ukubheka ibhuku lami njengoba kune-load shedding nje angazi ukuthi iliphi nje nendlu ngoba ngilifunda yonke indawo, mhlambe libe kude. So
Okay.
jwayeze ukufunda ama-articles akhuluma ngama-financials. Financial Mail, mina is my favorite magazine. Ngiyayithenga nje
Okay.
ubona nangephutha ne-Drum nayo yonke lezi ezinye izinto engathi shu ezingitshela ngama-celebrity ukuthi ubani wathini ngoba kungisizi ngalutho lokho.
Yes.
Kufanele ukuthi uqale lapho nje uthenge i-Financial Mail uyifunde. Once wayifunda uzo-grasp u-understand ukuthi okay, hayibo, yazi ukuthi e-KZN nabo mhlawumbe wena uze kukhulunywa ey'ndabeni ukuthi kashukela kuyadilizwa, yabo. Uma usufunda uyakhona bazokutshela ukuthi ngaziphi izathu ngoba ama-financial institutions aphule out ama-loan kade wanikeza ukuze akwazi ukuthi ewasapothe. Manje yabo inkinga ine-management, uzo-understand-a kalula futhi i-language abayibeka ngayo. Mina i-Financial Mail ngayithanda kuwo wonke amanye ama-financial magazines ngoba ikhuluma i-language e-understand-ekayo, isengisho ukuthi isiNgisi okwaziyo ukusicosha.
Understand, yes. Sengicela ukubuza ukuthi i-Financial Mail magazine uyithenga anywhere?
Uyithenga nje ey'tolo, uthenga ey'tolo.
Oh, okay. So iba monthly or weekly?
I think it's weekly or bi-weekly. Yeah. Angiyithengi kodwa nami phela njalo kodwa ngenza sure ukuthi nje ngiyayithenga, ngeke iphele inyanga ngingayithenganga.
Okay. Okay, so that's the first thing ifanele ngiyi-check leyo. Iyona ezongitshela ukuthi ikona maphi ama-companies engiwabonayo ukuthi a-right. Okay.
Bese kuthi i-content oyi-consume-ayo, ukhonzuma i-content ekhuluma ngale nto ofuna ukwazi ngayo. Angithi wena ufuna ukuba nolwazi kuma-shares manje, consume i-content e-relevant-ke kuma-shares.
Yes.
Ube ne-cycle yabantu abakhuluma ngale nto ofuna ukuyazi, uzoba u-expert kuleyo field.
Okay, like Fox, ngilandele njengoba ngifollowisha u-Fox. Ngafollowisha
ngaphandle kwalokho ukuthi ufollowishe umuntu ngoba uthi uzocosha ulwazi kuyena, nawe phuma uyifundise. U-Fox uyasinikeza manje ade sitshela ngama-venture capital funds esingawabheka kwi-website yaka-SARS. Ungagcini ngokulalela ukuthi utho kanjalo, uhambe uye kuleyo website nawe ufunde leyo article. Yebo?
Okay, like i-fly what?
Like ini? Ngabe usekhona?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umute nge-mistake.
Okay.
Ngisekhona guys.
Oh,
Hello,
hello.
akuzwakali?
Umane umnyutha ubuye.
Oh, ngizwakala manje.
Kuyezwakala manje.
Ngiyangizwa.
Yebo, siyakuzwa
Oh,
manje.
okay, ngisho i-fly, ngisho i-fly wall ST. I-fly angazi ngibiza kahle yini. Lakade yisho uShezi ethi yena kufanele siyi-check.
Simply
Sifunde
Wall,
kuyona.
Simply Wall. It's ngiyobhala futhi Simply Wall.
Oh, Simple Wall, yes, Simple Wall. Yes, yes. Nayo futhi ngingene kuyona ngenze ama-research kuyona.
Uyabona-ke leyo
Okay.
uma usungena khona usuyobheka leyo khampani oyifunayo bakutshela yonke into ngenkampani. Uwe-ke sekufanele
Oh,
ube nolwazi lokuthi le ratio isho ukuthini, njengoba ile namba ile figure isho ukuthini. Uyayibona?
oh, okay.
So okunye ofanele ukufunde njengoba usazoqala nje funda ama-ratios ukuthi i-ratio ne-ratio isho ukuthini, i-calculate kanjani, usho ukuthi uma ngabe ile figure iphezulu noma iphansi, is it good or is it bad?
Okay.
Ngizokwenza azochaza ama-ratio kodwa ngizowachaza ngesiZulu-ke kodwa nakhona lapha kukona ulwazi. Uma ngabe uchaza la ku-TikTok usuke uzama ukwenza u-fast qhu.
Yes, yes.
Uzokwazi ukuthi
Yes,
ufunde,
hayi.
okay, kungaba ukuthi uthole ukuthi okay i-idea yokuthi okay yile nto le yenziwa kanje, kodwa umsebenzi ufanele ukuthi uwufake nawe. Ngeke uze ufunde ngamavidiyo ungazange ujule kuleyo subject.
Okay. Ngiyabonga sis. Simple Wall ST sengiyibonile. Sengingenile kuyona.
Nokuthi-ke
Yeah.
since wena usamusha ungakuyeki ukuthi ukulangazelela ukufunda into entsha ngosuku nosuku. Once waqala wafila ngathi yonke lento inzima manje usewufuna ukuyekela, uyiforce ngenkani ukuthi ubuye uze
Yebo, yebo.
futhi.
Ngoba kuyafika lokho ukuthi yabo la engathi ngeke ngikhona.
Kuyafika lokho futhi kuyafika kakhulu ngesikhathi kusuke ukujwayela kwe-habit yezinto ozenzayo. Vele i-habit yakho angithi uphuma kwi-routine yokunaka izinto ey'balulekile, uyayiyeka lezi ey'ngabalulekile. Ngeke kuze kube lula.
Yes, yes.
Enye into esizayo mina ngiyathanda-ke nokugugulisha. So if I want to know more about something, I go onto Google as well. Ngifunde nje ngayo into ngizwe ukuthi kuthiwani, yabo.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah, ziningi indlela vele zokufunda, wena nje uzokhetha lokho ubona ukuthi uyaku-understand-a uma ngabe ukufunda.
Oh, okay.
Ngiyawalalela amavidiyo, ngiyaya ku-Google, ngiyaya ku-YouTube, ngiyangena ku-TikTok nje ngizwe nje ukuthi kuthiwani ngokuthenga ama-shares. Yebo.
Okay, okay. Hayi, sengizokwenza kanjalo isikhathi esiningi. Ngoba manje mina ngithembela ukuthi hhayi ngizolalela la kwi-live njalo ngizothola ulwazi kwi-live. Sengiyazi-ke manje ukuthi nami akufuneke ngenze ama-research ami eceleni.
Yes. Asiyisuseni le nto le yokuthi kuthiwe umuntu omnyama uma ufuna ukumncisha information bhala phansi.
Phansi,
Yize kade besho vele ukuthi basincisha kanjalo i-information bayibhala phansi. Idlule nje i-information singayifuni. So ashintsheni i-narrative.
Ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga.
Even share recommendations, yes, kodwa-ke even kwi-share recommendation asithi usuyazi ukuthi njengoba mina ngine-video nje yama-stocks engiwaholdayo no-Fortrox namhlanje besishare lawa-ke. Kufanele ubheke ukuthi okay, njengoba mina ngizothenga le khampani angeke ngizihambe ngiyodumela u-Capitec ngoba khona umuntu o-own u-Capitec, i-stock saka-Capitec, uyabo? Kufanele wazi ukuthi nje i-entry yakho ilaphi nendawo i-entry yakho. Ngeke uzohamba Capitec manje ubu-2,000 ngoba uzwa wonke umuntu ebabaza, hayi u-Capitec i-stock esi-right ukuthi ungaba naso, uyabo? Yazi ukuthi okay, Capitec, hambe ngo-Capitec uyom-analyze ukuthi njengoba manje ubiza malini, ubebeza malini emva kwesikhathi, uyabo? Um-analyze cap yaka-Easy Equities. Usunayo angithi u-Easy Equities?
Yes, yes. Sengiqedile, sengiqedile.
ye-stock over i-maximum period. Ubone ukuthi okay, hayi manje iyabiza, mhlambe isazophinde yehle futhi ulinde, uyaybo?
Oh, okay.
Bese kukuthi-ke wena iba nayo kwi-watch list yakho masuku kuma-shares ukuze uzobona ukuthi okay, lama-shares ngoba angeke uvele uthi angeke uze kube khona umlingo noma khona umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi okay, ngaphandle mawusetha i-notification on your easy equity uzokukhokhelayo futhi nalokho ukuthi manje mayehlile i-stock ifika lihitha le price uzokwazi ukuthi uzothenga. Wena zijwayeze ubone ukuthi okay, iperforma kanjani. If izinto zakho ziku-watch list kulula ukuthi uyibheke ubone ukuthi okay, nampa abantu engibafaka kwi-watch list yami ngoba they are hot stocks recommended, bese uyahamba uyo-check ukuthi okay, mhlambe manje good time to buy not a good time to buy. Kodwa ngesikhathi ulandela iy'ndaba ezikhuluma ngama-financials ngeke uze up, uzokwazi nje makwenzeka inkinga, makunesikandali kuphi noma kwenzela ini, wena uzoba in the know ngoba vele sekuyinto ujwayeze yona leyo.
Okay. Umuntu uyafunda ngisho semdala.
Umfundi ayikhulelwe wese yo.
Hello, my teacher.
Hello, Auntie B, unjani?
Kunjani sisi?
Inoba kuseni kuwe your
No,
side.
yazi into ndise-Florida sana ndise-Florida ngokusemva kwemini it's 2:45 apho kuni is 10:45 I think, or 9:45 10:45 ndise-Florida ndifike apha izolo ndizosebenza apha ndizama nge-28 yabona.
Okay.
Ndihamba nge-28 yi-Thanksgiving kaloku kuyatyiwa ama-Americans ayatya ngoku. Sawupheka waya si-entertain waya senze i-Christmas trees ngoba bathi mase kufika uDisemba ibe imithi yabo seyimile emizini yabona. Yeah.
Okay.
So ndibhizi loo nto. Sana lam, you know you are my best makufika ezemali. Ndifuna uxelela abasisi aba balapho on live kuwe, ewe imfundo yabona mawufika engcwabeni kuyema akusekho nto efundelwayo engcwabeni, but ke yaqonda sifunda side siyofa. Jonga apha sana lam, ndiyathanda ukuzichaza i-age yam and ndifunde sekulate, but now funeke sizazi in certain age, mna ndina-64, yazi funeke sithi masinxibe high heel shoes sibe bayanga ucinga uba one day kanini ndizawuthi ndicinge ngempilo. Mna ndifuna uba ngelela brizana these days andifuni uhlala nesingoma, I say it all the time. So my loves, ndifuna ukuthi kuwe sasi, you know what, and I know yonke into investor ifika kutsha abantu thina abantu bamnyama, but let's grab it and take it and run with it. Singamdeleli lo mntana ngoba utheli why i-information iyabhatalelwa apha ngaphandle. We still lucky ngoba we have somebody ofuna ukusifundisa where the states, and I do understand kunzima ukufundisa umuntu ongagrebiyo. Do you understand what I mean? Ongagrebiyo yabona. Yeah, so masiyithathe le opportunity nathi sikwazi uba ngomagogo abantwana bethu, they're not obliged these days ukuthi bajonge thina siyi-last generation okugcina abazali bethu. Abantwana bethu bazawusifaka enesing balibale ngawo, athi umntu I've got a life too. Uyaqonda sisi? So masiyithathe le opportunity kwenzela uba mna ndifuna ineza uqasha inesi, umuntu ezondiphutha impundu ngoba abantwana ngeke bandikhiphe into abazayifuna ukuthi Auntie B, I love you, umntwana nkosi ufuna ndimshiye ewilini, ake ngazundenzela nje. So we have to be careful of that. Uyaqonda sisi? So another thing is, yabona ke mna ndafunda kanjani mna yazi ntoni, yabona apho nditya khona kulapho ndithenga khona. Yabona iMcDonald's ndiyatya khona ndiyathenga khona, I'm part owner. Ngoba ma uthenge ishare endaweni you part owner, it doesn't mean umuntu uthi imali yakho imalini. Mna apho nditya khona kulapho ndithenga khona, i-products endiyithandayo kulapho ndi-investa khona kakhulu. Uyaqonda sisi? Ngoba noba ndiyathenga loo mali izawuphinda futhi ize kum. Yeah, understand? And bangaba yabona uthetha ngencwadi ekufuneka uyithenge, bangaba ukabi nayo zifunde, yihambe ye-library uyayifunda. Sithi ke apha i-blue book iza kuxelela zonke ii-companies and uyajonga uba investors zakhona zingaphi, bagolota malini, but yabona iza kufundisa loo. And it's okay napha library ungababuza. Yabona abelungu ndiyabathanda abelungu, nxa babuza something umlungu akadinwa uza kuxelela ngoba uyi-librarian uqashiwe, but unenhliziyo yokubonisa, akazi ukuthi I don't know. Uyabona, uza kubonisa umlungu. So before uyithenga incwadi ye-library uzifundise pha, get used to it, and then ke ngoku ngoba then you can buy the book uthi ma uye holideyini. Yabona mna ndithenge incwadi zefani ndiseholideyini, ndiyasebenza ndiseholideyini. Ekuseni ndivuka ekuseni ndihambe ndiye epulini ndihambe no-exercise. I'm not a swimmer but ndiya-exercise ndenza i-aerobics emanzini. Ma ndigqiba ukwenza ilunch yabelungu, it's my time ngoku ndizathatha incwadi ndijonge. noba imagazine enemali ethile okanye eneproduct ethile, yabo. So what I'm saying
yes.
is masimsebenzise usana le ntombi, we are so blessed to have her. Bakhona ke nabanye ke, but akadinwa, she's always online and you can come back many times, she will be here. Yabo. Yeah, benifuna ukutsho nje lokho. She's my fan. Oh my goodness. Yazi noba ndiyasebenza ndibeka apha ndifake i-Bluetooth apha endlebeni ndimamele ngoba andazi yonke into. I'm learning every day. Uyaqonda? Uba bendisekhaya ngoku nam ndiye ndithenga some of those shares but ke ngoku ndilapha ndithenga ezalapha but yazi i-information yakhe inzulu ngoba one day nam ndizawubuya ekhaya. Ngeli lonke kubosisi benisithi ke masimsapoteni sizifundise nathi bethuna. Yabona ngoku abanye benu bazawufumana ibhonasi. Thatha la bonus uzirholise wena nawe uzibonus. Yabo? Uthatha half of that bonus uhambe uyifaka phakathi kwempundi pha. Uthi lena iyam lena ibonus. Uyibeke, uyilibale. Yabo? Yeah. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay ke my love. Amadola ayaxa ngapha ukuthi bantu badala.
Okay.
Ndithe kudoctor no not ndisafuna ukusebenzisa ii-heels zam, so I have to invest in myself and invest in my life and invest my money. Yabo? Ndathi manditshata ndayibuza indoda yam ndathi what do you want from me? Ndathi le ndoda into endiyifunayo kuwo ngoba mna nditshate seyimdala ndinee-assets zam 9 assets. Ndathi kuye ke jonga i-prenum yam eyam i-prim it ubunako before kokwakho nam bendinako before kokwam but esiza kuthenga together kokwethu ndenzela into yobana kaloku i-divorce iyangena umntu athathe yonke into sana. No. Ebendinako kokwam anako na. Ndambuza what do you want from me? Wathi into ndifuna uzisebenzele ubeke imali yakho ngoba if you can take care of yourself that means you're able to take care of me too. Uyaqonda? Njengoba sihlanganele i-joint account isekhona leya yam endizibekele yona ngoba ubomi awubazi. You must never bathi bayasinlavuzelisa everyday kanti umntu ujonge kwenye indawo. Athi umntu mefumene omnye umfazi athi she's the best. Uyandilibala ngokuba mna I'm not the best. Athi lo amfumana athi she's the best. Bye bye girls. Bye love. Bye bye Mbethuna. Keep up honey. Keep up my love.
Thank you so much.
Ngenzela uqinisile yazi ukuthi abantu abayivaluishi i-information e-free. Kodwa ke isizathu sokuthi ngishare information yazi yini? If une-mindset and une-goal, which for mina ukwenza imali eningi futhi not imali encane. So ngiyazi ukuthi nginawo ama-skills okwenza imali, nginalo ulwazi lokwenza imali. Kodwa for me to expand, ngibe close kulento engiyifunayo, nami angithathe lokho okuncane engikwaziyo ngokutshela omunye umuntu mhlawumbe oke waba kwi-position nami engake ngaba kuyo before. Lokho kuzovula mina amathuba amaningi ukuthi ngivuleleke. Njengamanje it's like ngu-10 litre ngokwengqondo wami but ngifuna ukuba u-20 litre ngokwengqondo yami ngoba if ingqondo yami ingayikhulisi ihlala iwu-10 litre izohlalisa imali elingena u-10 litre. But if I share information ila engivula khona i-expansion yengqondo yami ukuthi ibe u-20 litre so that I can be able to hold imali. Buka abantu abathola imali beko I blew it noma umuntu awini lotho. Umuntu ufikelwa yi-million. Ingqondo yakhe mhlambe ulwazi lwakhe lokumanage imali i-capacity yakhona ilingana mhlambe no-500 mils. U-1 million uzofika kanjani kuleyo ngqondo ewu-500 mils ngoba lokhu akayisebenzisile. So for me ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngisabalalise ingqondo yami ivuleke, fanele ngikhiphe lokho okusengqondweni yami engikwaziyo ngoba if ngokuhlalisile angeke ngize ngikhule angivuleli i-opportunity yokufaka i-information entsha. Yabo since ngiqalile ukwenza le live ziningi izinto esengiyifundile. Senginabantu engaziyo ukuthi okay ngaba nenkinga kanje ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma nengine. Ngiba ne-random conversation nomuntu ongihlangane la ku-TikTok through le live kodwa more knowledgeable than me. Yebo? Nami ubefundisa naye ngihlangane naye la. Ukube bengazange ngize ngiphume kule platform ngizokhuluma ngo-Easy Equities wami omncane owamasenti bengizohlangana kanjani no-Fortrox. Yebo?
Yes, ayibungeke.
But thina abantu like asiyithathe kanjalo. Kodwa-ke ukubona lokho ukuthi umuntu olimitha i-information ongafuni ukuthi ayinike leyo information uba stagnant lowo muntu, akuhlale kuleyo ndaba akakuyona for a long time, for a very long time. Mhlawumbe umuntu ngabe uba imillionaire in 5 years, abe imillionaire in 20 years ngoba uhleli ne-information akakhulumi ngayo, ngoba ulinde some form of payment. Yebo? Kodwa-ke nokuthi ngeke futhi uzumoshe isikhathi sakho. I mean kulula manje ngoba izinto zenziwa on TikTok, ngisendlini yami amapijama ami ngihleli la, into engingayenza nje ukuthi ngikhulume. Ngeke kodwa abantu bafanele ukukhokhisa ngoba mhlawumbe umuntu uzothi hayi ngibizela abantu mhlawumbe kwi-seminar sobhukha i-venue kanjani, umuntu uzodrayiva aye lapho ethi uzonikeza abantu ulwazi olu-free. Uma uphuma lapho abantu bazojabulela ukuthi hayi besihleli la ngezwe ukuthi kuthiwani, kodwa abantu abaningi ngoba umuntu akalikhokhelanga lolo lwazi uzovela athi sathi anyway angizange ngize ngiluze lutho noma ngayiyeka lento ungayisebenzisi. Ayikho into
understand. Yes.
kumuntu ukuthi wena wenza kanjani, wenzani ngale information oyitholayo. Usuku nosuku siba exposed to izinto eziningi. Wenzani ngale information osuyazi. Yabo?
Yabona-ke namhlanje ngifundile ngifundile.
Yeah, futhi uhlale
at least sengizokwazi ukuthi nje
ngoba
ngithole i-financial book.
More.
Okay. So izoba nini enye next live? Iba khona ngama-weekend noma siba?
Every day ngo-8. Kusasa I don't think ukuthi ngizoba khona la live ngo-8 ngoba oma-business associates bami kune-function kodwa iqala emini. So ngizobona ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Kanti nama-shares selling now. So
Noma
yabona-ke le language yabantu aba-investayo-ke uDistel i-company amtshele Zenzele.
Hey, wait.
uDistel ayibongitsheleni guys, ayibetshelani uMawini ho.
Okay, ima Magcabe ngizokufundela mina manje. Ngifuna ukuthi ungezwa ngama ngifuna indaba ungayazi. Uthi mhlawumbe ngiphezulu yezo.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax. Tshela manje ngizokufundela nje kahle stock ukuthi
uZenzele uyangihleka nje, uZenzele uyahleka yazi.
Hayi sazokufunda okuningi. Khona yabona mase ngikhuluma iqiniso bakwethu yabona iningi imali esingakayisebenzi ekhona. Yabona kwi-online space iningi imali, iningi kodwa manje ulwazi kubantu luncane, ulwazi kubantu ulwazi luncane kakhulu. Azi mangakutshela ukuthi abantu engikhule nabo mina almost bonke sisehlukene nje, yimi ngedwa nje wonale mindset lena yokuba i-entrepreneur nokuthi ngikhona ukuthi ngizenzele nezinye izinto. Afethu angazi noma ngine-eco noma
ngine-eco.
Okay, ngicela ukuthi ngirequeste kabusha.
Okay, Zenzele. Okay, Gcabe. Nayi istock saka-Distel sibizwa 174 rand. Yes.
Yes.
Njengoba sibizwa 174 rand nje istock sakhona. Ngasithenga lapha selapha ko-75 rand istock sakhona.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi sengenzile imali noko. Distel is a group holding limited operator like South Africa. Okay. The company through its subsidiaries produces, distributes, and markets wines, spirits, ciders, and ready-to-drink beverages. Distel Group Holding serves customers worldwide. Yeah, yes.
Yebo. Igama nje ngizwile methi Distel ngathi nje lonto leyo nje ngiyayazi. Yes.
Yeah, kusho ukuthi-ke wena fanele ukuthi uthenga ama-shares la. Ungathengi iwayini namasayida ungazange uzi-investe ku-Distel.
Ngampela kade shile nje udadewethu ase-America ethi ngena ka-McDonald udle uphinde wazi kahle ukuthi une-share khona. Nami-ke kade siteli-ke sengine-share. Ngizoba ne-share khona ngiphinde ngidle khona.
Antoteni bangumsindo yabo.
Yeah.
Umsindo babudokotela bangumsindo uzenzele.
Hayi ngikuzwa kahle. So manje i-shares yakhona i-175.
Yayi 174 kwamanje ayiphezulu awuthi kuyifaka i-watch list ukuthi uyilinda kancane.
Okay,
Ikhona
i-watch
kodwa
list. I-watch list yami ngiyithola kuyona i-app.
Uyabona nje mawuvula ilokhu njani? Mawuvula i-app yakho, okay?
Yes.
Khona no AB InBev, okay?
Yeah.
U-AB InBev naye ukuma-beverages, okay? Yona u-958 rand stock sakhona njengamanje, okay? Angisi-own-ke kodwa. Hayi asikaze nje futhi sibe cheap. Yabona nje ngo-2016 i-stock sakhona sasi-1700. So kusho ukuthi njengamanje si-cheap. Si-cheap. Okay. So U-AB InBev is a Belgium-based company engaged in brewery industry. The company owns a portfolio of over 400 beer brands. So, abantu abaphuza ubheki. The company's brands portfolio includes global brands such as Budweiser, Corona, Stella. The national brands include Leffe, angazi leli gama, Hochhagen, and local champions such as Bud Light, Skol, Brahman, Antarctica, otshwala ngingabazi-ke bonke labo, Ultra, ngifuna ngilazi. Okay. Company's soft drinks business consists of both own production and agreement with PepsiCo related to bottling and distribution arrangements between its various subsidiaries and PepsiCo. InBev, which is a subsidiary of the company. Okay, so obhiya benu-ke la. Okay, ngalaphaya ama-cider no go distill or ready to drink.
Angingeni la kobhiya mina.
Ulanga kophi?
Hayi angingeni kobhiya ngigcina amawayini.
Okay, but u-investe ucabanga ukuthi bangakanani abantu abaphuza ubhiya
Angithi ngisho khona-ke yes inayo futhi i-right because into abantu ehlale beyiphuza every day.
But-ke bese ngiyasi-analyze bese after this sengiyazi ukuthi okay possibly ngingathenga la but yeah.
Okay, lo sengifaka ku-watch list.
Yeah.
So i-watch list yami leyo.
Ngesemva kokuthi ufake ku-watch list safanele ukuthi uhambe uphinde uyicubungula futhi ikhampani ubone ukuthi izoba a-good buy or not. Yabo?
Oh, okay. So i-watch list yami ngiyithola kuyona i-app kuma-lines, ngiya kuma-lines bese ngiya ku-watch list.
Uloga in kufoni angithi ku-app kufoni?
Yes.
Okay.
Ngiloga under Capitec.
Okay, uzongena khona kambe ukuthi ngibuka mina ku-laptop. Kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi okay, uthi invest. Angithi uzongena kulona yakho ulenda kwi-portfolio yakho bakutshela ukuthi okay, nayi i-portfolio yakho nemali enje ubone ukuthi whether i-green or red yini ama-arrows akho angithi.
Yeah.
Uzokubona masuyenza.
Okay.
Uyayenza manje yini?
No,
noma ukhuluma ngayo.
Mengayenza but kwenye ifoni. But it's fine. Ngizobe ungitshele ngizoyenza because mengekho ready.
Okay, it's fine. Uma ungena kodwa kwi-app yakho asithi uzobona ukuthi-ke na okay let's say uzoya kwi-la account yakho bese uthi invest. Kuzovela ama-companies lapho 40 kodwa lapha phezulu kukhona ama-categories bazokutshela ukuthi okay ufuna ukubona ama-equities noma ufuna ukubona ama-companies aku-top 40 noma ufuna ukubona ama-companies like ama-categories or like beverages, banks or pharmaceuticals kukhona nje bese-ke wena uzoyazi ukuthi okay kule industry ofuna ukubheka kuyo mhlambe yama-beverages bese ungena khona uzowathola ama-companies ama-beverages kuma-pharmaceuticals nakhona uyakwazi ukubona yabo, ngaphandle uma ufuna ukuyobrowse nje inkampani ngenkampani. Uma wehla nayo, uma usuthi invest kwi-app yakho, kuzoqala from ikhampani elistwe zikwi-alphabetical order, zehle kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo, uzomane uyibona ubone ikhampani ngala, ubone i-share price yakhona, ikhampani i-share price. Bese ungena kuleyo khampani, asese uzocofa mhlawumbe u-Dis-Chem, ungena ku-Dis-Chem. Uma ungena ku-Dis-Chem, bazokutshela u-Dis-Chem no, le nkampani yenza bayichaze ukuthi yini u-Dis-Chem, usebenzaphi, yonke leyo nto. Bese kuba khona indawo ethi-ke na, kambe yini leli gama, but i-graph or ekukhombisayo ukuthi okay mhlawumbe iperforme kanjani over the past month.
Okay.
Kukhona
Ayiphazamise ube njani, I'm sorry ukuphazamisa abantu. Ube njani u-Dis-Chem since kade unale scandal sakhona? Awehlanga?
No, angumthengi, anginayo, angimhold u-Dis-Chem mina, and I wouldn't know, but uFortrox angakutshela mhlawumbe ngoba nange esijoyina la.
Oh, okay. I think uyazi, yeah.
Lesi scandal sabo sokungabi ne-equality, abaqasha abelungu kuphela. Okay.
Ngacabanga ukuthi nje amalenti abo mhlawumbe azokwehla. Because ngeze kuthiwa nabelungu sebeyadayisa nama-shares abo. Bathi abantu hayi abawalethi thina siwathenga.
Thenga abelungu e-Dis-Chem, so uma bakwathisa abelungu imali ezoyehla.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ake ayehlanyana kancane ama-share price. Ake ayehla.
Oh, ehla kancane. Ayimalini kumanje?
Okay, what's isibheke-ke manje? Ngizokucheckela manje.
Okay. U-Clicks wona unjani? Fox.
Angicheckanga, angathenga ama-pharmaceutical. I was looking into buying the manufacturers, not the retailers.
Oh, okay.
But Dis-Chem is right, ngoba they're introducing cannabis. So their sales volumes will increase. Remember, they made about 700 and something based on our vaccine, 700 and something million. So,
Dis-Chem 30 rand.
30 rand 21 cent. U-Dis-Chem njengamanje.
Oh, lingathengeka-ke yazi.
Zebe more than 37 rand, which was the max. Yeah. Okay. The lowest they've been is 17 rand. So, yeah.
So notice thenga i-Dis-Chem.
Sasa sithenga yiphi?
No, sorry, I'm listening. So notice distill something. So what's up?
We are tempted.
Distill.
Yeah.
Distill your phone.
Yeah, ngithama 2000 aphuza amasavana, so the TikTok yanceda. So sales volume yabona will increase man.
Distill ngathi uza kahle, uzoza kahle impela. Hayi, ma 2000 ayaphuza utshwala yo.
Uphuze ngathi alikho ikusasa.
Yebo, angazi umasavana azwani. Because le nto yimbi nje le yanda.
Siyimbi. Oh, kodwa kusalayo phela bayayiphuza nje.
Hayi bayayiphuza nje. So-ke ngeke-ke thina-ke
utshwala busiphazamisa ingqondo. Ave bungekho right, utshwala buyaphuza nje phela kodwa abukho right. Namhlanje kade ngibona umama ona-70 nomunye ona-68. Lapho bafreshini banamazinyo wabo abafakela ngama-falls. Ngiyababuza ukuthi mina yini i-secret yabo, bathi nje baphuza utshwala.
Kodwa phela utshwala abubulala amazinyo hawu.
Awu kodwa imagine ukuthi umuntu ophuza utshwala uwaba ngayo esedayo.
Hawu kahleni. Depende ukuthi ubona buphi utshwala ophuzayo. Nami nje uma ngibone nje ngaphika ukuthi nginale age yami ekuyiyona.
Ngempela?
ngathi geza.
Okay, kunhle nje uqala ukuthi u-age right. Uma ngabe phela uma ukuthi une-focus yokuthi ube nemali, kufanele ukuthi uyinakekele umzimba wakho.
Yes,
Ukwazi
lento
ukuthi
edlayo.
what is the point yokuthi ufuna ukuba nemali and then wena ibhizi uyayibulala every day. By the time uba nalelo million esithi you get lucky kufike kuleyo target yakho financial wise, but while you are not in good health uzogula phela kufe. Ubulawe isibindi esivele nje sakuphatha.
Ngoba nawe uma wayinlawo noma kuthiwa uyaphuza khetha ukuthi uphuza maphi. Enzani kuwena?
Futhi ungaphuzi uze kweqe.
Ayikuthi nje ngithi ngiphuze wayini ukuthi every day ngihlale ngidakile nokuthi ngiphuze ethi ngidakwe cha. Iglasi nje 1 or 2 is enough. But nje ngihlale ngistockile, I check ama-sales ayo ngihlale nginalo. So that's why ngithi at least ngoba ngithenga kakhulu lona ngistokhe. Ngiyawudinga udiscipline. Yeah. Bafike abaphuzele.
This is the one, guys.
Yeah, is your ngampela film.
Savannah, Hunters, Amarula, 3 Ship, 4th Street.
Cabanga nje, Amarula.
Spirits. Yeah, not the one. Yo.
Yeah,
Viceroy.
174. Ake ngilinde libo 100 rand.
Kodwa. Not in December.
Ngeke.
Hayi manje.
Hayi manje. Futhi uyabona nje kwasuku towards festive ngeke. Ngeke lehle. Lizonyuka. Yeah,
My dividends are usually better because I see they've been doing better. They're at the highest than it's been. So if the other company, if AB is at 900, it means the market cap and that it's good. Because I see they have a market cap of 33 billion. Sorry. Yeah.
No problem.
Okay, guys, ngicela ukuphuma-ke nginikeze abanye i-chance.
Okay.
Ubavimbe abanye.
Hawu phela.
Onama-shares akadistel ngiyazi wena inkinga ya-shares ukuthi yaphi manje.
Okay. Ayi-ke nama ngiphume ngiya kadistel ngingaze ngiluze.
Okay, no, thank you guys. I think it's enough for me for today. Yeah.
Sharp.
All right, thank you. Okay, bye.
Hey, Fox. Ngiyabonga, Fox.
Hello.
Bengisaba ukungena ukhona.
Kanti mina ngenzile.
Ama-terms. Namabhomba sigwethu engibona ukuthi nje yo ngizofikela uba lapho. Kodwa-ke washo ukuthi hayi angingene nje ngifunde usakhuluma wona.
Cwabe you know i-energy iyarabha off. Yabona njengoba kwi-live no-4Trox thatha i-energy yakhe.
Yeah, yabo. Hayi.
Iyarabha off.
No, siyancedana la, that's the point.
Yeah.
Nami ngize la ngithi ngizobona ukuthi kwenzekalani ngama-shares.
Ngathi ubhizi nje sisters, khona izinto zakho awuyithela laphana zebhizinisi ezane uyithela emaplastikini.
Bless.
Emaplastikini.
No, I have a side hustle engiyenzayo, so manje senginama-distributor everywhere in the country, so sengiba busy kakhulu ngoba of demand. Yeah. NaseLesotho, nase-Botswana, nase-Namibia. Yeah. Senginama-distributor khona. So.
Awani.
Kodwa ezoba nkulu one day uzobe usuthi yazi mina ngiyayazi le ntombazane lapho sengu-big somebody sengiyaboss ibo sengiyi-founder entrepreneur.
Oh my.
Uzongibona e-TV uthi hayi yamazi mina ulazi ngesizulu lona.
Yebo. Uyalapho nje dream on.
Yeah.
Iphathelene nani?
A herbal supplement to enhance the sexual performance
Oh, okay.
for both.
Yabesilisa.
Yeah.
Yabesilisa.
Nabesifazane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, hayi shame wenza kahle. Wenza kahle ngakubona Jayeli. Umuntu ubhizi nje. Uyakhuluma kodwa ubhizi.
Ngibhizi sis, ngeke ngibhizi. Uyi-check, kufanele uyi-check iwebsite yami.
Ikephi? Kuthiwa yini igama layo?
Mpesupreneur.
Mpesi.
Mpesupreneur.
Oh, Mpesupreneur, okay. Hawu.
Yeah.
Ngike ngiqala ukuzwa ngale Mpesi uba futhi ubani kanjani ingane le? Ephesheya ekuhlala ikhuluma ngayo noma wayo.
Uba uNonsi.
Nsiki. Unonsi.
Yeah.
Ninaye lapho?
Hayi asingakhulumi ngoNonsi, asiqhubekeni ngezinye izinto.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ngiyangazi ngoba lo Mpesi iyayidla nangeparish angithi.
Yeah.
Oh, because ngambona kwi-live yakhe idla nangeparish. Oh, hayi ayihlamba ayifanele thina sibadala Nkosi yami. Angcono ukuthi iyasiza nasemzimbeni for i-health, ihlamba amathambo athi uqinaqina.
It's for sexual performance. It's a sexual enhancer. So if wena uyibandakanye kwezocansi, akuyona.
Hayi angiyidingi mina yikho ngiyasho ukuthi hayi angiyidingi.
Okay. But unalelinye ibhizinisi olenza ngoba obviously yes unayo i-income, unayo kodwa enye imali ngoba phela uzofaka kufanele ubhuse lama-shares wakho lawo uthenge ube nemali besides just imali ozoyithola from your salary. Yiba nayo phela enye i-side hustle ozoboosta ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi uthenge ama-shares amaningi. Yabo?
Okwamanje akade ngisebenza so kodwa umsebenzi ngigcine ngoJulayi umsebenzi.
Okay.
Ngigcine ngoJulayi emsebenzini ngase ngithi othi ngingene kule ngubo lezi zama-Pakistani za-WhatsApp. So ngingene kuma-WhatsApp group akhona.
Okay.
Ngidayise khona and then that.
U-ode eThekwini?
Kuzwakala? Yes, ngiseThekwini vele ngisemlapha. Yes, ngiseThekwini vele.
Gcabe yazi ukuthi ama-Pakistani odaphi? A-order ka-Shop Ship Shake. Mina 2 years ago nami bengidayisa iy'ngubo ngisahlala e-KZN ngoba bengihlala ePortshepstone abantu kungekho lula ukuthi abantu yabo bayele eThekwini bayothengisa. Bengiyidayisa iy'ngubo. Ayikho kahle kahle into engakaze ngize ngiyidayise. Wena Mgalelo yonke into nje ungayibala. Wena into engayidayisa ngu-Avon kodwa o-Table Charm zonke nje izinto edayisayo. Ayikho into engakaze ngize ngiyidayise.
Mina loyo Nkosi yami Table Charm, Tupperware.
And then
Yonke into.
ngafuna ukungena kakhulu kwimpahla ngoba impahla bezinemali and then ngenza i-research ukuthi bathengaphi. Bathenga ka-Shop Ship Shake. Inkinga ka-Shop Ship Shake thina abantu abamnyama asikwazi. Ngazama ukwenza i-group yabantu ukuthi sihlangane ukuthi sithenge in bulk ngoba uthola lapha uma uthenga let's say uthenga 50 items wey'ngubo uyakwazi ukuthola nge-price e-cheaper than ukuthenga iy'ngubo eziwu-4 noma eziwu-5. Uyayibona le? So uma uyithengisa uzo-order iy'ngubo oyaziyo ukuthi izoba yi-trend, fashion trend. Kodwa uma uwedwa mhlawumbe uzobhajetha lowo 2,000 or 5,000 uthenge ingubo ngoba phela ufuna ukumix uthenge ney'cathulo uthenge mhlambe namabhande nani. Uma uthenga uwedwa awunayo i-power. Ama-Pakistan ane-group ayahlangana ukuthi mhlawumbe awu-100 aya-order awu-100 abanye bala eGoli abanye mhlawumbe bawu-50 baseThekwini bahlanganisela imali bafake imali behambe ukuthi si-order lezi. Uma ifika iy'ngubo kufika o-small mhlawumbe ibhandle yakhona ina-200 phakathi noma ina-500. Yes. O-medium same kanjalo ngoba bathenga in bulk. Uthole ukuthi wena ingubo ozoyithenga ngo-100 ngoba uthenga i-quantity encane. Bona bazoyithenga mhlawumbe ngo-35 ingubo iyodwa yabo. Be-stretch ama-margins abo kangaka but the higher the quantity the less price uzoyikhokha for leyo ngubo. So fanele ukuthi uconsiderishe ukuthenga ka-Shop Ship Shake ngoba futhi uma uthenga a season in advance uthenga cheaper izinto. So njengamanje kuzoba yisama wena siqala ustock izinto
Izinto ze-winter. Kodwa manje okusho nje thina wahluleka ukungena kalula mina ngangena kanjani? Because phela
no
kungcono masoba in group.
ungena kalula bengidayisa mina into eyangenza ukuthi ngeke ukudayisa ukuthi ngoba bengingakwazi ukustokha noma bengingakwazi bengiyona into ebengifocuse kuyona ukuthi impahla ngiyazi nginalo ihlelo for i-trend ngoba manje kuyisama nje ngi-order izinto zase-winter. By the time into yase-winter ifika yimina umuntu wokuqala oyidayisayo angithi. So ready ukuthi okay uNomusa uyena umuntu ophethe izinto ezintsha la. Abantu abathanda impahla-ke bayakwazi bafuna ukuthenga into engagqokwa omunye umuntu uyakwazi lokho. Bayeza kumina but into eyangixaka ilokho ama-customer fine benginawo kodwa ukukhokha uyabazi abantu uma ngabe ubiza ngithi phela fana ufake i-markup yakho umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi okay for i-item mhlambe u-200 uzokunikeza u-150 ashiye enye or athathe imali athi uzokunikeza at the end. Impahla ihamba kanjalo vele umuntu kufanele umnikeze i-item ngoba ngesikhathi sayihalela ngeke aze alinde ukuthi azabe no-cash ukuze kufanele umnikeze ayifile i-item ayigqoke khona ezozizwa ukuthi yangifanele but azi ukuthi collect imali from that feeling of fulfillment
yabo njani impela-ke yes.
Yeah, and then umuntu mase kufanele umchase ileyo part eyangicasula nya ukuthi nje no I can't. Mr. Mtha sesixoxa indaba zokuthengisa impahla manje so
enginamela ukuhasla kwini we-hustler ne
it's important.
Akukho kunye.
Yeah. Then ngiyekile-ke ukukhatha istori yengubo ngiyekile ukuthengisa iy'ngubo ngenxa yalokulandela ama-customer ngase ngabona ukuthi okay I'm spending too much time eku-collection.
Yes.
Then 2019 nga-discover i-products because there was a need ukuthi ngiyifune and then ngarealize ukuthi bakhona abanye abantu abayifuna. Since I started selling impahla I stopped selling everything else. And life coach yami yangitshela ukuthi I must focus my energy on one thing so that I can grow, and I did that and then I'm grateful. So yeah.
So mina ngingangena kumpesi uma ungenamona.
Ungangena ube distributor. Nginayo distributor eMlazi uPhumlani. Ku-151 Victoria iyadayisa khona ku-A4 Mdala.
A4. Mina ngingaba seKasi-ke lokishini.
Yeah. Okay. Mr. Singakhulumi lezo zinto manje ngicaba.
Yeah, ayikho inkinga sokhuluma ku-WhatsApp ayikho inkinga.
Yeah.
Ukhuluma ku-WhatsApp.
Bengithi ngibuza ukuthi okay bye mama. Bengithi ngibuza silazi ukuthi nikwazile ukuyirekhoda iZoom ntuntunde beniyenza because mina ishe bengisengahambela ugesi la so ngizange ngisakhona total ukuthi ngiconnect.
Okay. I think asikwazanga ukuyilokhu nje ukuyirekhoda ngenxa ye-poor connection. Even i-host nje u-Fortrox akakwazanga naye bamvumeli
so nisazokwenza enye iseshini mhlambe
bhuti sizokwenza iy'nhlelo ke sizocommunicate uma ngase finalize kahle ukuthi yiyona yiphi indlela engcono yabona.
Okay ngibonga kakhulu
kodwa namavidiyo akhona ungene nakwi-profile
sengibazile nami ukuthenga ama-shares busathini
bengisho ukuthi-ke namavidiyo futhi azofakwa futhi akhona amanye akhona kwi-profile ka-Fortrox so usho ukuthi usungangena khona bhuti wa-check. Usuthenge maphi ama-shares?
Ngisathengile yabona ilo sengithengile 3 I think ama-company ayi-3
Okay.
ngizowabhala la ngibone ukuthi yami icishi but at least 3 ngiwafakile each companies R100 yabo. Into bengisafuna ukuyibuza, if let's say mhlawumbe asithi ngithenge ka Old Mutual ngifuna mhlawumbe ukuthi mhlawumbe ngifake i-R100 ne mhlawumbe end of the month ngifuna ukufaka i-200 ku same company, ngiyakhona still?
Yeah, uyakwazi but ukuthi wenze i-recurring purchase yeleso stock osithengayo, yabo.
Yes,
Uyabona
ama.
uzongena ngithi uzobe
Okay.
ukhetha ukuthi ngithenga Old Mutual angithi
Yeah.
usuthi buy. Lapha ezansi bazokubuza ukuthi once off noma recurring. Wena usuzokhetha u-recurring-ke uma ukuthi ulokhu ufuna ulokhu uthengile njalo, ngithi uzobuzazi ukuthi okay manje njengama-debit nje nama-stop orders onawo, uyazazi ukuthi kufanele ube nale mali. Vele angithi wena uyazazi ukuthi wena nayi i-stock sakho ufuna umane ulokhu usithenga, uthi wena ukhetha u-recurring. Bazobe
Yeah.
sebekunika ama-option ukuthi ukuthi mhlambe uzothenga like ngaleyo mali yenyanga, kodwa ukhetha u-recurring uma ufuna ulokhu ithenge njalo ngenyanga. Wenze sure nje ukuthi wena
Okay, hayi. Kanjalo hayi kuzoba lula ke because ngifuna ukuthi at least mhlawumbe mangastikanyana mhlawumbe month ngazi ukuthi mangenze mhlawumbe boma 3 yawo ngiyoyi-carry 3 another mhlawumbe month ngithenge new ama-shares, ngiyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyazi ukuthi by certain time ngiyazi ukuthi mase ngirelaxile ngazi ukuthi at least nginama-shares ngoba manje angithi akasebenzi, so leyo mali yabona lama 350 nyana at least azosinceda ukuthi sikwazi ukuthenga ama-shares.
yeah. Kodwa-ke bhuti omthayo yazi ukuthi uzogcina usudunyelwa ikhanda yabo, ngoba manje uyaqala wazi ngama-shares. Ngeke uze ulokhu yabona lo ishoyo manje uzogcina usuthi hayi sengifuna ukuthenga le, sengifuna ukuthenga le, sengifuna ukuthenga le, ngoba ngithi manje usubani manje uyayijwayeza ngolwazi, ujwayezwe
Yeah.
ngolwazi.
Yeah.
Kufanele ukuthi into ofanele ukuthi uqiniseke ngayo wena ukuthi le company usuyi-analyze-ile yini kahle, noma mhlambe uyithathe
Yeah,
kumuntu othembayo ukuthi ubekhuluma ngayo uyayazi, mhlambe uyithole as i-recommendation ya-Fortrox ukuthi hhayi ungasithenga lesi stock, yabo.
yeah.
Ungagxilile kuleyo oyithandayo ngoba mhlawumbe uyizwe wena, mhlawumbe ngoba uyayazi leso sikhathi. Futhi uma uzofuna ukwenza i-recurring order, yiba nesiqiniseko ngempela ukuthi leyo nkampani oyithengayo uzomane uyandisa ama-shares akhona, wandisa ama-shares. Inkampani oyaziyo ukuthi ina kanjani, ngi-analyze-ile ngayihlaziya i-right, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hayi yazwakala. Ya umuntu yasamvumela i-chance ngoba mina bengenza lento ye-forex, manje inkinga iyashaya i-forex, ngisaphumile kuyo manje imali ziyahamba laphana, naleyo mali encane osuke
Usaphumile yini?
uyitholile
Usaphumile ukuthi awufuni
hamba
ukulahlekelwa
same
imali?
day.
Usakhathele ukulahlekelwa imali?
Iyo ayikhathele hayi.
Imali mhlambe ulahlekelwa imali nje, asithi mhlambe 5,000.
Iyo hey incane kabi leyo, hey semina seyiningi kabi imali ezihambile lapha.
Okay, mangabe
Yazi i-problem leyanto ungayenza i-profit ne ukuthi nje leyanto ukuthi akumelanga ube greedy. If usoyenzile i-7,000 withdraw ungasachubeki, yabona manje uma ufuna wena ukuthi at least mangathi ngithi mhlambe 10,000 that 7,000 ibuyele emuva like so sneaks, like ngathi awukaze wenze nix. Ukwabona uthatha nefoni uyilahlelele ungasafuni nokuyibona. But next month uzoyenza saving futhi lose another money, so
mina ngifanela nje
so
noSithembile
ngibonile ngathi hayi awuthi ngiyeke.
hayi Sithembile, yabo mina nje angum-understand u-forex, angifuni ukungasho futhi angisoze ngayifaka imali yami entweni engingayi-understand. Lokho nje engime ngakho ukuthi angisoze ngayifaka imali yami entweni engingayi-understand.
Hayi kunzima, hayi kunzima, hayi. Yazi
Awukugxileka
angifiseli muntu ukuthi nami
ufake i-long term ungafuni ukwenza imali esheshayo.
Angithi lento ukuthi vele sifuna ukwenza imali esheshayo kanti imali esheshayo izosuka ihambe yona le and le yona le sithi sifuna isheshe ukuthi ize kuthina kuhamba kuthina le yethu ngokushesha.
Yeah.
So no ngifuna ukustika la kwabona because neluno ngeke ngayizama but iluno ukuthi ngikhohle ipassword yami but la ngathi ngizoba right la kahle kahle ngibona kade bengakhona ngiyabona i-patient nje into ekumele ukuthi ngibe nayo.
Yeah.
Futhi into engizitshelwe kahle kahle ngenzela abantwana yabo. Yeah.
Yeah, wenzele ingane zakho right.
Yeah.
Ngoba yazi ukuthi enye into emnandi ngama-shares ngesikhathi ufunda uku-understand ama-shares nokuthi asebenza kanjani, u-understand-a iy'makethe, even indlela yakho usu-conscious ngisho uspend ukuthi yazi i-interest rate inyukile manje ngoba le nto akuhlala yangakhulunywa ngayo entweni ey'phathelene nama-shares ngoba i-affect-a yonke into ey'nkampani. Usu-conscious kwi-spending, usu-conscious nje everyday. Indlela owenza ngayo izinto izoba different ukuze izokholela in your mindset yokwenza imali. Yebo. Kanti uma uvela ube nemali putu uyayi-misuse wenza lokhu nalokhu because it's cash. Yebo. Ekugcineni awufundanga izinto ey'ningi nge-mindset yokuba nemali nokugcinisa imali. Yebo.
Hey. Yeah. Ayakubona uyazi lo uhasla ngakhona ke yona ngivela ungikhumbuza umama nje ngikhule vele umuntu oyihasla ukabona manje nje ukuthi sewushaya ubudala umama bengahlali phansi. Yabona impahla lezo ubukhuluma ngazo bethengisa ayikho umama into ebengayihasa bengazani la kunemali khona beshona khona kunje manje thina azange saphiwa ukuyibona leyo nto leyo leso sipho leso. Mina ngibelieve ukuthi yazi mawuzowenza njalo umuntu I think umuntu usuke nesipho.
Akusona isipho mtha lokho.
Usho kanje?
Iyabona mangabe ubona umuntu oyimillionaire noma umuntu oyisicebi ngakini. Into okufanele uyenze ukustadisha izinto akazenzayo bese nawe uyazenza. Ngeke ungabe nawo ama-results la wenza lento eyenziwe lowo muntu. Ngeke ungawatholi ama-results afanayo. Akugona isifo, akukho umuntu ovele by default aqhamuke naleyo ability yokwenza izinto ezimfakisela imali. Ukuthi ubuke umuntu uhalele ngisho ukuthi noma wakho bebuka mhlawumbe ukuthi ngoba naye akazange vele edayise impahla ngoba vele kwawuyena yedwa odayisa impahla. Uyazi ukuthi kukhona abantu abadayisa impahla wababuka bathi laba badayisa impahla ba-order la othi nami ngenze kanjalo enze kanjalo. Yebo? Ubuka i-habit yomuntu ngoba uyayihalela lento akayiyo bese uyafunda ustadishe iy'ndlela zakhe. Usuku nosuku uthathe i-action efana naye nalowo muntu nawe uzogcina unjengaye. Akukona umlingo.
Hey lapho uqinisile ngoba hayi le nto yakho beyenza. Yazi mama wagcina ukusebenza umlungu yoba still young elokhu ethengisa waze waba nendlu. Uyazini yonke into nje ihamba right ngaphandle nje ukuthi asebenze umlungu ukayibona. Yeah, so umuntu kumele impela akhumbule amasokisi ezinye izinto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wena nje targetha lowo muntu oyi-one ubheke izinto akazenzayo uyikopishe lezo zinto.
Yeah.
Mawukuthi lowo muntu akaphuza utshwala nawe ubiyeke utshwala ungabuphuzi.
Ngibiyekile mina hey.
Sengiyasho ngenza isibonelo angisho.
Vele mina kahle vele nje sengibiyekile ngoba
tell bese uyawuphuza utshwala.
Hayi sengibiyekile hayi ngoba buyayimosha nayo imali mase sikhuluma iqiniso nabo buyayimosha ngoba cause yazi mina bengumuntu onjani ngesikhathi saphuza bengilo muntu ukuthi mhlambe ngihamba no-300 ngiyala ngiyakhona emnandini iphele the next thing ke yabona sengiyabuya sengangithi nginenye ngishile endlini sengizoncuzula mhlamba nale 300 uyi-understand ukuthi i-waste engakanani leyo.
Hey,
So
ngoba
yeah,
utshwala bufuna obunye. Uphuze
bufuna
bufuna obunye,
obunye.
bufuna obunye, bufuna
Yeah,
obunye, bufuna obunye. Awunamkhawulo.
uyi-understand.
Uzu-pass out kuyikhathi-ke usuthi okay right-ke manje ngoba usulele
Uthini ngoba
usuthe
the following
wagibela.
day sowuphethwe sowuyagula, sowuphethwe yikhanda, sowuphethwe yini. Soyazisola futhi ukuthi yo imali mara bengiyilande le mali ebikhona nyana ngabe ngiyavala lapha nalapha. So
Ngesikhathi udakiwe akusitholi-ke isikhathi sokucabanga into ezisile
hayi,
ezibizisana phambili ngoba udakiwe ingqondo yakho kumnandi yonke nje use-New York kahle kahle. Wathi ngiyolanda amanzi futhi kuyeza. Ngithathe nalo phone
alright.
ngoba ugcina usubuyile ngiyeza manje.
Okay.
Oh, sinothile. Aw shame. Sorry. Nathi sisiphethe kabi i-load shedding. Isibuyile-ke kodwa kuthina manje ngo-10. Kade ngo-8 uhambile. Awu shame uphuthelwe. Kodwa noma uphuthelwe sinothile nathi siphuthelwe ngoba ibisikhipha i-network isikhipha kwi-Zoom call. Samisa iy'nto ey'ningi kabi.
Eyi kakhulu kakhulu yazi.
Hhayi kodwa akhona amavidiyo uzosenzela u-Fortrox uzongena emavidiyweni.
Yeah, hayi sithembele
Yeah.
kuyena simbonga naye bengilokhu ngimamele nje emalangeni. Ayinolwazi oluningi kakhulu
Yeah.
ukuthi nje into engibona kuyayenza research thina abanye into esihlulayo kuyenza ukuyibona umuntu kumele azifundise nje ukuthi yenza ama-research if ufuna ukuthi aphumelele kwezinye izinto especially yabona nje njengoba umuntu eseka ku-easy kumele wenze ama-research like seriously ngoba umuntu uhlale asebenzisa i-Wi-Fi la I mean almost like angazi how many hours ngi-online. So yabona le nto ezinye zokuthi ubhekana nezinto ezingakusizi nganiksi ukubona kanti akabheki into ezizomsiza at the end of the day.
Qinisile Bhetomtha. Hayi Mxolisi.
Umxolisi
Ngase ngi-charge nale power bank. Mhlawumbe umuntu kosa enganagesi. Siphila kabuhlungu e-South Africa. Hayi usizi lodwa lolu siphila lodwa.
Sanibona njani?
kunjani bhuti? Bhuti Mxoli.
Mxolisi. Bese mhlambe network ngoba awuzwakali nhlobo.
Sanibona.
Unjani bhuti?
Ngiyaphila yini?
Sikhona.
Aza ngazo anginizwa mina.
Mina ngiyakuzwa nje.
Ngizovele ngibhale kuma-comment okungcono. Ngoba
Uyezwakala
angizizwa ukuthi ngithini.
Oh, okay. Ayi mhlambe network-ke mina kodwa ngiyakuzwa kahle nje. Ake asilaleni ngani zakwethu phela uLwesihlanu namhlanje. Silale early. Mina kusasa ngiyogijima u-21 kilometer. Yo. Ngihlale ngi-charge iwashi lami ngibeke amateki ami la ukuze mangabe sengivuka late angingeni nje kuma-live namhlanje abantu ebusuku nje ngiyalala ngoba kusasa ngifuna ukuthi ngibe la ngisengigijima lokho ngiquphazela noma ngize ngingayi ukogijima. Bengifisa ukubuza yami ukuthi unayo yini i-YouTube channel? Yebo. Noma-ke i-outdated nkosama angifaki izinto angikho consistent kodwa fanele ukuthi mhlambe ngiyasibona isidingo sokuthi kufanele senze amavidiyo la futhi ne-information yaka Easy Equities le nginayo kwi-content yaka-YouTube like i-outdated ngoba bengaka-partnerish no-Capitec, so i-information yakhona is based on just manye ama-banks like normal utransfer imali. Kodwa-ke if wena Mxolisi unawo yini, unawo Capitec, usunawo Easy Equities, qala mawusearch ku-YouTube uthi ulwazi ngesiZulu mixile-ke amavidiyo into ey'ningi engiphostile. Sinothile right kodwa. Wow. What a question. Okay. Sinothile into engigijimelayo ukuthi njengoba yabo umzimba wami iyona asset yami engi-ownayo evaluable okudlula wonke. Futhi umzimba wami lo owodwa enginawo iwona umzimba engiyoba nawo ngize ngife. Njengoba-ke lo mzimba wami kuwumzimba wami owodwa ngingenaso isipele, fanele ngiwunakekele lo mzimba wami, ngiwuvocavoce lo mzimba wami ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ngiphile isikhathi eside, ukuthi ngikwazi uku-enjoy imali yami le engimane ngiyigcina phela le ngifuna ukuthi ngibe neyizumbulu zey'ndodla zey'mali. Ngiyowadla kanjani phela lezi ndodla ngiyoyi-enjoya kanjani lezi ndodla ngingayinakekeli? Ngijimela lokho-ke ukuthi nje umzimba wami yabo uhlezi. Ngifuna ukuhlezi nginesiqu esisodwa. Angifuni ukuthi ngibe sidudla, ngibe obese. Akuyona nje impilo yami leyo. Angeke nje ngize ngibe nalowo mzimba sidalo. Angifuni nje ukuvumela lokho. Ngigijimela lokho-ke. Futhi ukugijima kuyangisiza ukuthi ngifake i-oxygen eningi engqondweni yami ukuze ngikwazi ukucabanga kahle. Kufana like i-therapy, you know? Yeah. Nawe ugijima kubalulekile ukuthi if uthando une-interest ey'ntweni ey'khuluma ngokuthuthukisa wena nezezimali zakho, unakele ube ne-relationship right ne-physical fitness yakho. Hhayi ukuthi ube fit ngoba uye ejimini uphakamise insimbi noma uyagijima, but zinakekele. Ukunakekela umzimba wakho ukuthi udla kahle futhi uyawunyakazisa umzimba wakho. Ungadli ukudla ungadli kokudinga ukudla wakho, ungadli futhi ukudla uvobe kokudla okungadingi umzimba njengama-fries nama-burger. Nginakho konke lokho, just that ngisesesikoleni ngisathatha kancane kancane. Wena Mxolisi ubufunda usesikoleni, imagine ukuthi wena unenhlanhla kanjani ufunda yonke lento awukakafiki ngisho emsebenzini, awukakaqali ngisho ukusebenza usafunda. Wow, well done ukuba exposed kule information. Once waqala-ke wasebenza, ungagijimeli uyothenga ipholo nefenisha yasendlini yasemqashweni wakho lo uzobe uqashwe khona, nokuyothatha ama-credit card. Wena you must have a plan e-right kodwa kwi-platform e-right ngoba uzodevelopha kahle. So if usafunda unga-investa even as little as 100 rand ngenyanga, yabo? Kodwa phela wena ozaziyo ukuthi amasenti akho ame kanjani. Kodwa it's good ukuthi uqale ukwazi manje ngalento usaqala. Imagine khona abantu abazi ngale zinto sebena 40, 50, yabo? So nenhlanhla kulo. Uma uqala usebenza usuzongena oshunini-ke, usuzokwazi ukuthi nje wena imali yami uyayisplitha kanje, uyakwazi okubalekile, uyakwazi okungabalekile. Ulalele futhi i-podcast ebizwa ngo-Just One Lap. Uyilalele leyo podcast, Just One Lap. Uzobona izinto ey'balulekile ney'ngabalulekile empilweni. Hawu, usuyanqina manje Sinothile. Wena wawu-active during lockdown. Mina ngiyi-athlete vele, ngiyagijima i-long distance, ngigijima ama-comrades mina, comrades marathon. I-fitness yami ngiyiluze ngokufika kwe-lockdown. Ufika kwe-lockdown akusagijinywa, akusenama-race, akusenama-marathon. So i-motivation yehla ne-moral, yabo? Ngaqala ngathi ukugena ngisho 5 kg. Ngabona ngathi no. Uyapheka manje, uhlala endlini ubhakana namakhekhe every day. Hayi mina ngibuyele eshunini manje, kodwa nge-lockdown hayi bengingekho fit, Nkosi yami. Ngazama kusangena i-lockdown, kungafanele ukuthi udlule u-5 km radius, amaphoyisa acishe angibopha. Sinothile akuyona ukuba ne-energy, ukuba ucreate habits njengayo yonke into. Njengoba ukulala nje kuyi-habits, nokugijima kuba yi-habits. Futhi emva kokuthi usu-create i-habit yokuthi uyavuka njalo ngo-5 uthanda noma ungathandi, you must just do it. Into e-right for wena inzima vele ukuthi uyenze. Kulula ukuthi ulale then ukuthi uvuke uhambe uyogijima. So just do it anyway. Mase usugijima uzothola i-sense of accomplishment, at least uzoba proud ukuthi hey, ngi-bigger than iside lami lokuba yivila. You just do it because into ofanele uyenze. I mean, just do it nje. Kuzogcina sekuyi-habit usukwenza noma ungathandi. Emva kwalokho iba ne-cycle yabantu abenza the same thing ngoba kuze bazoku-encourage. Yabona nje kusasa ngogijima nenye igroup ebizwa ngama-Runners of Hope, i-club abayifoma yasesontweni lapho, babiza nge-Runners of Hope. So kusasa ngo-6 sizogijima 21, abanye uzogijima 10, abanye uzogijima 42, so 35. So kukodwa lokho ukuthi nje ngiyazi ukuthi kusasa ngiyavuka nobani, iyona motivation leyo. Ayikho insomnia nama-excuses. Une-insomnia ngoba awukho physically fit, umzimba wakho awuvocavoci. Ukuba uyavuka ube nento yenzayo mhlambe an hour maximum we-physical activity, ustrain umzimba wakho, mhlambe ugijime or wenze i-yoga or wenze ama-aerobics or something. Umzimba wakho ngesikhathi ulala ngeke uze ube nayo insomnia ngoba umzimba wakho uzobe ukhathele, ama-cells wakho azobe demanda i-rest. So kanti uzolala-ke kanjalo. Le insomnia sinayo manje ngoba suke sihleli koma-live. Mina-ke ngine-habit embi yokuthi manje ngazi ukuthi like mhlambe ngifuna ukuhlala leyo bed longer, ngingene mhlambe kuma-live, mhlambe ngiyengene ku-live ka-JB la engazi kahle ukuthi khona bayongi-triggerisha ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bakhona abakwazi ukungi-understand ama-views ami. But for some reason ngiyaya ngoba zikhona ezinye izinto ey'discuss-ayo, but most of the time sengiphuma ngo-4 ekuseni ngoba manje ngi-triggerishekile, which is not good. I-insomnia nje nama-excuses hayi awamaningi wema. Awamaningi, insomnia being one of them. Hey, Sinothile. Yinini laba Sinothile sithi mase sesiyebhishi sesigqoka obikini, nisibuke ngo-S la engathi uthi thina sasithe lalana. Ngingavuka. Angasekutshiya ukuthi even during lockdown bengijima, but I still had insomnia. Serious? Why? You must deal with it. Develop. What is the root cause? Phela uma problem, you must ask yourself why. Nakho sengibuye nami ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona okufundwayo njengoba ngithi ngiyala. Cha, sishares ayikho into elalwayo la, sengiyakhuluma nje izinto sezikhuluma nge-physical fitness ukuthi ngeke uze ube nomzimba ongawunakekile uma ukuthi ufuna ukuba ney'ndodla zey'mali ube nama-million in future. Uzowa-enjoya kanjani ama-million ugula ungekho right? Noma usuxuga-ke noma sekuthiwa usudadenyiswa nge-wheelchair, noma uzobe ubeka wonke lama-million wenzela ukuthi khona uzoba nonesi ozokunakekela, stay in nurse. No, can't enjoy your money like that. So sikhoma ukuthi abantu ababe fit, do some form of exercise. Don't just sit, ungalali ingekho into oyenzayo ngomzimba wakho. I mean, unomzimba owodwa for the rest of your life. Might as well take care of it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Ngixole Siphungula, funda iy'ndaba, amaphepha, ama-website, nje izinto ey'phathelene nje nezezimali, financial matters. Ngeke uze ungazi ukuthi yiphi inkampani ozonga-investa kuyo, bese uthi usuyazi-ke leyo company ozo-investa kuyo, uzobe analyzer-ke. Uku-analyze inkampani lento ade siyenza namhlanje kule Zoom meeting, analysis. Njengoba kwenziwa i-analysis, kufanele ubheke ukuthi inkampani iphefoma kanjani, wazi ama-ratio. Okay, ukuthi i-ratio ethile isho ukuthini, fanele ibe ngaki i-ratio ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi inkampani yakhona ingayithenga yini. We-evaluate ama-shares akhona ukuthi awoda malini, yebo. Kodwa kancane 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 zicathulise kulokwazi. Qala ngama-recommendations okwamanje, uthi usukulawo ma-recommendations bese uyangena ugxileke kuleyo nkampani, uyibheke ukuthi uze lo muntu eyi-recommended inkampani ake ngibheke ama-financials wayo ukuthi yame kanjani, inama-assets amangakanani, iney'kweletu ey'ngakanani, yebo. Athi zithini iy'nhlelo zale nkampani, iplanani ukuthi uzoyithuthukisa kanjani ukuze phela izokwazi ukuthi i-generate enye imali. Uyayibona leyo nto? Bye bye Sithembile Mthiyane, bye bye. Yes, Snothile, right. Focus on 2 or 3 companies. Ngoba uma ususpread asithi mhlawumbe wena uzothenga mhlawumbe uno-200 uthenga ama-shares mhlawumbe awu-50 ngalowo 200. Leyo company mangabe idlondlobala kusho ukuthi wena uzokwazi ukugena mhlawumbe ishare lakhona mawuthenga ama-shares awu-50 kade mhlawumbe uthenge ngo-R2, uzokwazi ukuthi ishare mhlawumbe mangabe liba u-R5 uzokwazi ukuthola noko imali ethe imadlana. Ungathengi ama-shares awu-2, ama-shares awu-2, ama-shares awu-5, ama-shares awu-5, especially uma usenemali encane. Focus kampani eyodwa. Thenga uPurple Group, webhoti Mxolisi. Thenga uPurple Group. Qala ngoPurple Group umthenge, kakhulukazi ngoba usayi-student. Thenga uPurple Group, uke nje uphampe yena uPurple Group. Le madlana ozoyithola nje mhlawumbe next 6 months ufocus nje uPurple Group, bese uyabiyeka-ke la bese angithi ngesikhathi uthenga uPurple Group uyafunda ezinye izinto. Angithi ngamanye ama-companies ukhona la ku-live, ne-social cycle yentsha, i-content oyikhonzumayo manje is based on lezi zinto ku-target yakho. Angithi uzomane ufunda kancane kancane, nama-video akhona sazokwenza futhi. Yebo, uqinisile Sinothile, ungawaspread. Sekunawo already, okay, phinda uthenge khona-ke phela ukuthi usune-company uPurple Group akusho ukuthi sekufanele uyofuna enye inkampani. Thenga ama-shares, mangaka ama-shares onawo aka-Purple Group Mxolisi. Njengoba uPurple Group unayo nje, phinda uthenge, phinda ufake futhi imali khona kuPurple Group, phinda ufake futhi ku-Purple Group. Mangaka ama-shares onawo njengamanje. yazi ukuthi uSimon Brown lo Just One Lab yena wathenga uPurple Group usayiphela istock usawuzulu ngibani cent. Hawu mancane mngani lawo. Mancane. Awuthi ukunyusa noma ethi 1000 ke. At least 1000. Kodwa ungaveli ugxumele phela u-target yakho kubo 1000 ithi mhlambe next goal add 50 more. Next goal add 100 more. Add 100s. Add 100s. Add 100s. Yabo? Awugxile nje ku-Purple Group. Sibone uzokwenzakalani. Nge-lockdown u-Purple Group ubufluctuate kabo. Simon Brown bethenga ngama-million million shares. I don't know 500,000 shares kodwa nje benama shares amaningi. And bawudayisela abantu Purple Group during lockdown. Asemancane mxolisi mayo 50 thenga mo. Asilaleni ngani zakwethu seqala nokunetha ke manje. Sengizolala kahle ngishushuzele. Ngizokwazi ukuthola enough sleep kuseni ngivuke kahle. Bengavuki kunetha yo. Angimisela ukugijima kunetha. Phela ngidlanga isiqaphu sami lo ngikhokha isikweletu. Ngiyagijima nje ngoba ngithanda cha. Yebo sinothile akuyona nje into ngathi kusasa sengizothenga ama-shares manje next year sengiyowadayisa. Yebo kakhulukazi musaqala yebo. Yes investment kona but long term. Oh shares hamba ulala shares manje uyayidinga irest yazi lonke leli viki thina silalanga lonke leli viki sihlale kulavuzo kusha 12 phela fanele sithole u-beauty sleep hawu ngeke phela yeah at least 5 years minimum at least 5 years minimum beke up to 10 years 15 years even better. Hayi boss skin sami asihle miyazi ukuthi filter ukuthi nginani okay like mawenza kanje le filter le iyasuka like to show you real face yabo. It's not that bad. Yes, I take care of my skin. I steam. I exfoliate once a week. Nje ngiyagijima mangijima ngiyasweater. Kodwa uyabona njengamanje ngiyisidudla nje ukungibona manje ngithepha manje. Mawugijima ufanele uze ube umuntu uhlela uthenga. So I'm not at my fittest, but I'm nowhere near obese, which ngiyajabula ngalokho. Mfana futhi, I'm new in the house, can to learn and got some shares, though not a lot. Good mfana futhi. Mfana futhi mentor vela ngithi fanele uqale kancane. Qala kancane at least uthathelwe action. So the next step ukuthi ufunde, analyze how to do the analysis yenkampani. Khona uzokwazi ukuyikhethela ukuthi ke hayi manje ngifuna ukungena kule industry. Mobani abantu abayindlondlo kule industry le ngifuna ukuthenga kuyona. Okay. Ugooglish mining industry yenza isibonelo. Ngene usuyazi wena ukuthi yimaphi ama websites ezokutshela ngithi Simply Wall Street. Angithi ungene bakutshela ukuthi nayi inkampani leyo ubhalile ubani i-ratio yabo injenayo nama assets wabo wena you know yonke into bakutshela. Then usuyabona ke wena ngayo ukuthi uphinde wenze like a holistic review yecompany ubuke i-management yenkampani. Abantu abanjani ba capable ngabe bazoyimanage kahle le nkampani ufuna ukuthenga ama shares kuyo noma imali yakho yayilahla nje ngoba bazilutho. Uyayibona? Bese uya decide ke lapho. uthenge maphi ama-shares futhi awusixoxele. Hayi ngifuna ukuphoqoka mina ngisekude ngoba ukuphoqoka ngeke ngisafike kuleso stage sokuphoqoka. Ngangicishe ufika kwi-stage sokuphoqoka ngisatrainela i-comrades manje hayi angisenalo lelo phupho sengiyagijima i-comrades kawu-4 namamedali ukwehla neyokunyuka so hayi ngi-right. Ngimnandi ngalapho ngi-grand angisenayo nefomo sengifuna manje ukugijima i-100 miler. 100 miles is like ukugijima the whole day 24 hours 160 kilometers. Iyona-ke into engisayihalela-ke leyo challenge, ngihalela i-challenge enjalo. Khona this other guy here on TikTok onokwenza ama-lives, however he's not giving us information. Wenzani la ku-live kanti? Mahala though, he's charging people. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, indlela yakho yokumonetize phela ngithi sinama-reasons ahlukahlukene okwenza izinto. So, yeah. I-strategy sakhe ungamblame, kuyamsebenzela. Futhi what's the word? Umuntu oyikhokhelayo information makhulu amathuba ukuthi ayisebenzise than kunokuthi umuntu athathe i-information ayisebenzise bengazange ezeyikhokhele leyo lwazi. Uyazi ukuthi leyo nto injalo. Yabo mangathiwa nje la kule live kungena ama-subscribers kuphela, mhlawumbe ngithi umuntu okay mase sithi mhlawumbe mase ngireach leso stage umuntu kube ama-subscribers kuphela azongena la. Ama-subscribers angahlala throughout the whole life ngoba umuntu uyazi ukuthi uyikhokhelile leyo nto futhi akafuni ukuthi imali yakhe ihambe kanjalo. So the possibility yokuthi umuntu asebenzise lelo lwazi alu-utilize noma azame ukwenza something ngalo, they are very high if uyikhokhelile i-content or i-information. Buka ama-projects ey'ndaweni zangakini. Mangaka ama-projects lawa afundwayo kuthiwa ni-NPO, niqala i-community project, nizonikezwa mhlambe 1.5 million. Qala i-project. Abantu okokuqala kubiyiwe mhlambe la kuthengwe kuphi, kukhandwe i-structure, kwathengwa i-equipment, kwathengwa angenza isibonelo nje nge-agricultural projects, kwathengwa iy'nkukhu noma iy'ngulube leyo nto lapho, kwathengwa i-feed, yonke into yenzela abantu be-project. Mangaka ama-project aphasayo noma abantu abakwaziyo ukuthi bawa-sustain? Very few. In fact, less than 3% wama-projects afundwa yasucceeda la eSouth Africa. Ngoba abantu abanayo i-sense of ownership, ngoba vele umuntu uyazi ukuthi ngisho lolu cingo lungaphohloka vele angilikhiphelanga ngisho isenti. Ngisho lezi iy'ngulube zingafa vele angikhiphanga ngisho uzuka. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa kuyasha vele akuyona into yami. Abantu abanayo i-sense of ownership ngoba umuntu uyazi ukuthi akayikhokhelanga leyo nto. Oh, okay, Alice. I've seen abanye asking ukuthi after buying, how long will it take for them to get money or profits? Okay, after uthengile i-company yakho fanele ngithi wena uyi-analyzile ngokuyazi ukuthi nama-prospects azoba beneficial or azo-increase i-worth or i-net worth yaleyo company okuzo-increase i-share price yakho angithi. I-analysis yakho ezokutshela ukuthi after how long, futhi nakhona ukuthi after how long uzodetermine ukuthi what is the status around leyo industry or leyo company and the performance yabo. Kuyenzeka ukuthi i-performe ama-projections asebenze according to plans, but sometimes business gets slow. Nakho manje sine-COVID. Companies never planned that there will be COVID. They didn't know that there will be COVID. So automatically there's no money that is being spent kuma-companies amaningi. So, you know, yeah. So ama-companies amanye they would want to ukuboleka imali kuma-banks njengakashukela, KZN manje basho Standard Bank nawo wonke ama-financial institutions athi ngeke sizozokhu sinikeze ama-loan kunina, i-management yena ayikho right. Uyabona nje ukuthi nje yeah kuyababhedela. Nginalo ulwazi, khona nje ividiyo engiyenzile umxolisi la emavidiyweni yami ekhuluma nge-NPO nokuthi yini into ofanele uyenze uma ngabe une-NPO ukuze uzothola i-funding. Inkinga yabantu bamnyama ukuthi nivula ama-NPO athandwa yinina ngokwey'nhliziyo zenu ukuthi mina nje ingane nje into eseduze kwami, futhi mina ngifuna nje ukugada iy'ngane, noma ngifuna ukugada abantu abadala, noma ngifuna ukuqala i-club yebhola, noma yabo. Awukwazi ukwenza i-project enga-align kuma-government priorities. Abantu bama-NPO abazi nanokuthi yini u-Vision 2030, awazi nanokuthi yini ama-priorities of government. Uyabo, awazi ne-National Development Plan, kodwa ufuna ukuba ne-NPO. How? Like how? Ngoba nje into ehamba phambili ukuthi nje uma usune-NPO uyakwazi ukuthola i-funding, nenze noma yini enifuna ukuyenza, abantu bazomane benjini bezonikeza imali. You need to have a strategic NPO u-align kuma-government priorities. There's even under ama-priorities phinde kube nama-apex priorities okusho ukuthi lawa iwona abalulekile okudlula amanye. One of them being early childhood development. People nilele phe kwe-idea yey'ngane. Uzothi wena ufuna ukuba ney'ngane ngoba ufuna ukuyifundisa indlamu, ukugida. Yabo, angisho ukuthi ku-wrong. Kodwa is it as a priority ukufundisa ingane ukugida? Yes, ungabe uyifundisa ukuthi okay zipreserve i-culture, zingabi uvanzi, zibe protected. Kodwa akuyona i-apex priority. Yes, it's children, but it's not a priority in terms of the activities eniwenzayo. Bese kuba khona ama-creche. Ama-creche iwona i-priority ngoba between 0 to 5 ila ukwazi ukuthi uba ne-control over ingqondo yengane. Uyayifundisa ingane, uyayimolda lapho. So government wants to change the condition of the early childhood development, improve the quality of ECD services. So when okay, you think what can I do as align nale priority ka government? Ngoba government wants to improve early childhood development services. Wena ungaba ne-creche ngakini ngoba once waba ne-creche wenza exactly lento uhulumeni afuna ukuyenza. That's where ama-NPO comes in ukuthi wena ugovernment une-priority, wena usemphakathini. Bese wena uthi government, mina ngizokwenza lento ofuna ukuyenza ngqo exactly njengoba ubuyenza la emphakathini wakho. Hayi ukuthi government yes nginazi ingane kodwa hayi mina ngizofundisa nje, angizodile ekuyifundiseni, mina ngizodile nokuyifundisa indlamu. You know, usuthi wena manje kuhulumeni okay yes I'm gonna do half of the priorities onazo ofuna ukuthi zenzeke la eSouth Africa. Kube khona i-job creation. Job creation i-priority ka-government. Economic ikhona, ngiyenzile ividiyo la. U-job creation ungayenza through izinto ey'ningi. Uthi uma usuyenzeka into ye-job creation, buka i-NPO yakho yokuqala ukuthi izonikeza imisebenzi emingakanani. Leyo msebenzi yakho izobe yabantu abasha, izobe yabantu abadala, izobe for women ngoba phela nakhona lokho fanele ukubeke into consideration so that when you go lobby for funding uyasho ukuthi it's all the things ezi-align to ama-needs kahulumeni akafuna ukuzenza la eSouth Africa. Excuse me. Khona esiyivulile one of the people I know, izobe isiza izingane zesikole. Ngani? Izobe isiza izingane ngesikole ngani? But izobe isiza izingane ngesikole ngani? Mayingekho nje kuma government priorities ningamoshi nje isikhathi senu. Ningalingi ngimosha isikhathi senu. Ngoba ngeke nithole ifunding. Ifunding niyithola kubangani benu phela. Ngeke nithole kuhulumeni. With stationary school uniforms, government i-priority ka-government leyo noma i-priority yakho nomphakathi wangakini. Just when uzo-raise ama-funds through businesses, local community or local businesses, ngoba uzobatshela ukuthi hey niyazi nani bafethu ukuthi la hey asina stationary, asina uniform. Uhulumeni is providing stationary to children. Uhulumeni is providing SASSA grants so that kids can be able to buy uniform. When uzohamba uyotshela uhulumeni ukuthi no, you are not doing an enough job, asina ama-stationary, asina school uniform, so thina sifuna uqala i-NPO, so wena sinikeza i-funding to do that. Yes, there are special funds abakhona, especially ku social development, where ama-NPO efaka ama-business plan applications. Now kuba khona ama-calls for proposals. Bakutshele kube nama-categories. I think futhi manje ivulile ama-calls for proposals. I think avule ngo-October, but ngizokwenza ivideo ngayo because ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyayithanda into ngemali nge-NPO. Kuyenzeka-ke lapho kube khona ama-special funds ezodirectwa kuleyo nto, kodwa ayi akuvamile bhuti ukuthi kuvele nje kuthathwe noma yiphi. Nakhona kusenawo ama-priorities. Wena fundi i-National Development Plan uyi-understand, bese ku-National Development Plan ubone ukuthi mina ngifitha kule priority, kule nto efuna uhulumeni mina ngizofitha ngqo, ngenze exactly lento. Kuzoba lula ukuthola i-funding lapho. Ngeke uzolokhu futhi-ke ukuthola i-funding kuhulumeni if uqala as a NPO. Inkinga yama-NPO engiwabonayo mina ukuthi besides just ukuthola i-funding, ngoba vele ama-community projects like agricultural projects, women, focusing on women empowerment, nje kulula ukuthola i-funding ngoba vele a-create-elwa to use imali, so that u-National Treasury ingezuyithatha leyo mali, ngoba kuba khona i-allocation ukuthi kule province is-allocate mhlambe 6 million to ama-community projects. Spend it. Qala lapho into. Okay? Ngoba ngithi government une-priority, unemali, bese ufuna ama-NPOs emphakathini. Wena uma ukuthi wena une-NPO ye-stationary nama-school uniforms, uhulumeni une-priority yokuthi kube khona i-women empowerment, wena ubhizi wenza i-stationary nama-uniform, like where is it aligning? Ayi-align. Yebo? Yes, nayo imali, nayo i-priority, when you are doing something else. I hope you understand. And I hope futhi uzoyithatha ngendlela egrand lento bese uyayilungisa, ngoba you can still change i-focus yenu. Yes, ngiyazi isikhathi esiningi uqala i-project usuke vele unesidingo, ngoba ngeke uvele uwumuntu nje ophilayo uvele ube ne-interest yokuvula i-NPO nje for fun. I-battery yami iwu-8%-ke ngenza ukuthi uma kuthi nyampwana okwazi ukuthi siyicimele inomkhuba phela ukuthi make ise-chargeni kodwa iyehla. Yebo bhuti, zi-align wena. Funde i-task yakho kusuka manje, download i-National Development Plan uyifunde bese uyayifitha wena ukuthi ya okay thina nayo i-NPO so focusa kulokhu. Uma usune-NPO futhi iba nama-engager namanye ama-NPO, iba networker. Ngeke uzube i-NPO e-sustainable. Abantu abamnyama abafuna ukuqala ama-NPO ngoba kunale mali kuthiwa akube khona women empowerment, yes bazoyithola anyway. Bese kuyaphela lapho mase beyithole leyo funding, abakusena abayi-own, abayiqhubekisi, kufanele ukuthi uhulumeni umoshe imali. Futhi ama-NPO thina saqala ngey'nhloso zokuba bancane, very small. uthi nje hayi ngizobe ngisebenza la emphakathini wangakithi kuphela, ngizobe ngisiza bona laba nje kuphela, hayi lezi ngene esikoleni owafunda kiso. Akungabi igolo yakho leyo ukuthi ube mncane mangabe uyi-NPO. Ukukhula kwe-NPO ukukhula ngokwama-network. Uma uqala i-NPO yiba nento ezoba useful even kwenye NPO nakwenye NPO nakwenye NPO, specializer. Musu ukufuna ukwenza yonke into wena uyayenza nje ku-NPO yakho. Yintandane uyathatha, abahlukumeziwe uyabathatha, ingane engenayo uniform uyathatha, abangena stationary uyabathatha, aba-abusiwe uyabathatha. Ngeke uze uye ndawo leyo NPO, specialize entweni eyodwa. Buka ukuthi yiphi inkinga. Ngizokwenza i-example njengale NPO engisebenzelayo mina sengisebenze ku-NPO space for over 10 years. Ngasebenza kahulumeni unyaka owodwa ngaresign, ngathi nje ngeke ngize ngisebenze la. Njengoba ngisebenza kwi-NPO, umsebenzi wami, i-job title ikhona, ngiyi-policy and systems change person. So I help uhulumeni with policy and systems change. That is a specialization thing. Akekho omunye umuntu oyenzayo la. Okay, bakhona amanye ama-organization abazama ukuyenza, but ukuphumelela kwe-NGO engisebenzelayo is through networks, ngoba umsebenzi esiwenzayo u-useful kwenye organization ngoba thina siwazi more than anyone else. So they would want Tina to come and help them to achieve what they want to achieve on the same problem abanayo, which is i-issue ye-registration yama-creche. Ukurejista ama-creche, uma uhlala elokishini noma uhlala emakhaya noma uhlala eSandton, ujajwa ngendlela efanayo, which is not right. So that's why ama-creche amaningi awakwazi ukurejisteka ngoba indlela abajajwa ngayo is the same. So that's where I come in. Mina ngidela ne-policy and systems change. Kusetshenzwa nge-Children's Act la engisebenza khona, Children's Act, which is i-act eya-amendwa last ngo-2005. I-amendwa nje ngo-2005, still ayibasebenzela abantu abamnyama. Niyazi ukuthi yonke imithetho eyashaya emva ko-1994 vele kwase kufaka isigxivizo ukuthi vele siyabacindezela abantu abamnyama, siyabacindezela okugcina kubeka umthetho. Ngeke uvele ubone kunestand lapha webhalitho uhambe uyofuna ukwakha ebhalitho wena, ngoba khona umthetho ofanele ulandele ukuze uzokwazi ukwakha indle ebhalitho. Angithi lowo mthetho wadalelwani ukuthi wena uwumuntu omnyama ungakwazi ukungena ebhalitho, ngoba nayi i-procedure, nayi i-policy, nayi i-act ofanele uyilandele ukuze uzokwazi ukwakha indlu ebhalitho. Noma umhlaba ukhona ngeke uvele uhambe uyokwakha ebhalitho. So it's the same thing. Why am I talking about this? Okay, specialize uma wenza i-NPO. Musu ucabanga small and within the reach of your community. Think big. Think how i-idea yami can be enforced or adopted by another NPO. Hey guys, umkhuhlane wami awufuna ukuphela. Excuse me, I need to. Ngivele ngibona nje ngefinye laseliconsa. Bafethu. Ngingaguli kanjena nje ngoDisemba. Ngama-big days. Ngaguli nje. Kwazi nama-shares akade sterling now. Oh, Ncese sinothile, shame darling. Sengiyahamba kodwa vele la manje. I'm living the life. Izocima futhi ifoni yami isiwu-7% ubade iwu-8 nje. Sekuzothi nyampu ke manje. Nyampu. I hope uyayizwa. Okay, pure kuhle. Good. Thank you. I hope I'm glad you are learning something. I think kufanele ngenza amanye ama-videos achaza ngezinye izinto. Okay, but ngizokwenza, but sikhona isikhathi. There's plenty of time. Nindlale kahle iy'ngane zakwethu, ibe grand, kuyilesihlanu niy'phathe kahle. Angeke nginikeze i-motivation namhlanje. Umuntu akenza into akayithandayo. It's your life, but you have one life. Bye iy'ngane zakwethu. Sobonana. I don't think kusasa ngizobe ngikhona la kwe-live. Siyabonga Nduduzo. Siyabonga bhuti. bye bye. Sithembile ngigcina uhamba kudala wena usela. Hayi bafethu. Yes, start small. That's all that's important. Ngoba u-action into oyidingayo. Yonke into oyifunayo nje is a step away. Yazi ukuthi okay, mina ihabit yami yabo ukuthi mhlambe khona la ngiyakhona. Imonto yami institution ngiyafunda nje mina angiyidlali ingoma emontweni yami. Angidlali into entsha ekhona. Ngidlalela ama-audiobook kuphela mina mangisemontweni mangabe kukhona la kuze ngifunde something. Sithembile esilaleni manje nakusasa seyilanga. Consistency is key. Baningi abantu abashonayo umuntu afe ne-ID. Umuntu thina siyathanda ukukhanda into engqondweni. Uyikhanda uthi hayi ngizovula le business, hey ngizokwenza ukuthi hayi ngisalinde ukuthi ngizoqala ngizongena live ngifundise abantu ngokuthi ngizokwenza i-podcast ngizokwenza just planning ukuthi hayi no angakabe na-equipment like serious excuses sisayi-builder siyenze be-perfect engqondweni before uzoyiqala. Just start. Ngiyakujabulela mina ukuthi ngisho ngabe kuthiwa umuntu uthenga ama-shares awu-10 enkampanini eyodwa. That's a start because at least uthathe i-action. Action is key to everything, guys. Key. Bye-bye. Sizoxoxa maybe Sunday because angikholwa ukuthi ngiba la tomorrow. Kusasa ngiya kwi-function ngimenyiwe ngoba labantu ngisanda ukubazi la eGoli through business, so bazoba uku-associate nabo kumina ngiyi-aura like i-energy. Angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngimenywe abantu abawu-business person bengimema kwi-event e-private family, so fanele ukuthi ngihambe ngiye khona ngizograbha leso spirit sokuthi nami ngifike ngibe kwi-level yabo, you know. So I have to honor that even if it means I'm not here tomorrow. I'm just going. Ngijwayele ukungena ngo-8 kodwa kusasa ngiyadoubt ukuthi ngizongena impela ngoba ngizobe ngingekho around. Ngizobe ngise-Orange Farm 8 makunene 8 nje phakathi neviki. Yes, you need to help yourself first. Yazi it's not le nto oyishoyo i-broad futhi i-relevant kuthina abantu abamnyama kakhulu ngoba siyakukhohlwa thina lokho kuyisiza thina kuphela. Qala uma uqala usebenza njengobhuti lo ose-university umxolisi, your first salary sucabange wonke umuntu wakini ney'nkinga zakini. Wena awukakayifaki ndawo, wena mhlawumbe uyothi uqala uyifaka wena in the picture isize wena usubona ukuthi hayibo phelile u-10 years, the whole decade. What have I done ngemali? What have I done ngami? Akunama-funding, akunama-investor. No, but there is funding. There is investors. It's just depending ukuthi wena u-aligned nento efanele ukuthi if iyafunakala. Yes, there's no funding for into engayona isidingo. Futhi ngeke uze uthole i-funding ungenawo ama-networks, khohlwa. Yeah, you can't only have an idea. Phiwe kuhle, okay, ngiyabonga nami ukuthi ukhona. It's called fate. You don't just land on somebody's life for no reason. Maybe you've been thinking about doing something better with your life, and then your thoughts manifested this live for you to see it, because everything starts with the thoughts. Papa in the face. 2%. Hayi izocima ke manje. Angibhalelise nje kahle. Khona ngizoyicharge kahle. It's again. So bonana that other day. Mhlawumbe ngizozama ukupost video kusasa about something. Income tax brackets. Ngichazela ukuthi uyazi kanjani ukuthi wena ukhokha tax engakanani. Bese uzothi mase usuyazi income tax bracket yakho ne tax rate ne tax percentage irrelevant kuwena, usuzokwazi ucalculate ukuthi mangine portfolio sengidayisa ama-shares ami shuthi ngizokhokha i-tax engaka, ngoba yonke into iqala nge-income tax, personal income tax, individual income tax. Okay, pure kuhle. Why ingasebenzi? I wonder why. But follow me, I'll follow you back. And maybe you can message me, I'm interested. You know why most businesses don't work before they cut it off? You need to put time, you need to put energy, you need to put money equally into a business for it to work. If you focus equal time, energy, and money into your business is surely going to work. If you are having a business and you only spend 1 hour in your business per day, you spend 0 cents on making something that will boost or help your business to establish. You don't have energy. You don't go around doing research errands to people who are already in your line of business. You are not going to grow that business call. We are splitting our time, our energy, and our money across different endeavors every day. We are in useless relationships. In a relationship, you spend money to communicate. You spend your time. You spend maybe 2 hours on the phone nomuntu ongathi shu, ongekaza kushada, ongekaza kube ngisho ilutho kuwena. You spend your energy worrying about them. How did they sleep? How did they wake up? And you still have a business that you want to run, but you are busy focusing on the relationship. You're splitting your resources like that. How come? Where your money, your energy, and where your time, your money, and your energy goes, so think about that. Pure good. Did you apply that in your business? Maybe you never thought about it. Ngesikhathi sokuthi uhambe uyokwenza ibhizinisi lakho wena ubusy uyacuddlisha the whole weekend, you come out of that cuddling with 0 cents and 0 net worth. We are not thinking straight as black people. We are not thinking straight at all. Hayi ziyakhala ngempela manje 1%. Ngiyakumangala ukuthi ingakathi nyampu yona yansonto ijwayele phela ukuthi may 8% ivele nje singasajoli manje. What are you joling for? Sinothi ungenamali, ngoba having sex is for people abanemali and it's a celebration. When you celebrate ungenamali ayibafe ngeke. The energy that you spend on an intimate session should be going towards building yourself and your business, so that once you've built yourself, that will be fun to do and enjoyable. Like, this is why people are so addicted to sex, as if there is something that you gain out of it. Like, a sense of belonging, a sense of being loved. Like, guys, I'm okay. Ubalanselani? Ayo mfethu, khona lo ncuzo wakho noma ngabe unga-engage entweni. Hayi bafethu, hayi nina, hayi ngiyaqeda manje, niyabhalansa. Papa yini ngeke 0% uzocima na kanjani-ke manje le phone. Hayi papa yini. Ngiyekubhalansa.